Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London session stream. Happy Monday, everyone. I'm glad to be back. Glad to be back at the charts after 2 days off as usual. I hope everyone had an amazing weekend. Everyone, I hope you guys are crushing it on the charts. If you have already traded the Asia session, this gap up, I hope you guys banked. Otherwise, get ready to bank this week. We have a big week ahead of us, of course. And there's always news. We love that this week, and we will get into all of that stuff. But before we get anywhere with anything on the charts, I will quickly, of course, say good morning to who we have here. Good morning, Southern Boy. Good morning, Ruan. Good morning, G4G. Good morning, Andrea. Good morning, Realist. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Stephen. Ashes, my T. Good morning, Amir. Good morning, Fatu. Good morning, 365 Clips. Not too many of you. We're not even early today, guys. Not too many of you in the chat, but that's okay. We do have time. We are 1 minute into the Frankfurt Open. Obviously, we had all that crazy SpaceX IPO launch last week, which skyrocketed. We now have our first trillionaire in the world. So stuff is happening in the world. Can Elon Musk please give me some of that money? That would be great. Thank you. Elon, if you're listening, please share. But anyway, as we look at NASDAQ here, we do have quite a large gap up. So new week opening gap here measures from the daily open is sitting at 30,191 today. And we have the close from Friday being at 29,677. So that entire gap from the close to the open this week is 513 points. Now, I would expect us to come back and fill that gap at some point. The question is a matter of when. We are so right now very close, looking towards those all-time highs being broken. Again, that all-time high level is 30,807. So we are very close to that level. Potentially, we could be seeing something like an all-time high break and then a drop back into the new week opening gap to fill that gap. So this is definitely an area of price I'll be watching. Probably something we could potentially break in the London session today, being that we are very close to that level. And then in terms of price action right now, I'm just hoping for a pullback. So previous 4-hour high has been swept. I would love to get into a short to, I guess, drop back into at least this 4-hour bullish gap that we have, but further than that, dip back into daily open to fill some of this gap. So I would prefer to be on the side of shorts today, yes, given that we have gapped up. And yeah, see how the session plays out. At the moment, there is not a setup for me yet. Waiting for, right now, previous 4-hour high has been swept, but I'm waiting for a 1 minute reaction. See if we get an inversion on the 1 minute. And at the moment, we do have that sweep of the previous 15-minute high. So I'm looking for that PO3, the displacement on the 1 minute, and that move to the downside. That would be a good selling opportunity for me today. In terms of trading last week, going over my trades, yes, I took 2 days of losses in a row on stream. Didn't trade with you guys Monday, Tuesday, but then Wednesday, Thursday had 2 bad days. And then Friday had made it all back. So I wanted to mention that today because I know some of you, even me sometimes when I'm going through a losing streak or just in a bad state with trading, sometimes all you need is just a one good trade and you can make it all back. Literally ended the week break even, going from Friday, the start of Friday being a red week and not looking good to end the week red. Ended up closing the week out break even. So there you go. It's important to always keep a steady mind, be focused. I didn't trade the New York sessions, both those losing days in London. I just decided to take those sessions off and save my mental capacity, and then came back very focused and locked in Friday. So I was able to trade at and take a good win in the London session with you guys on Friday. But looking at the markets today, I hope we can also take big wins here, obviously. And we'll see what we get. At the moment, no trades for me, but let me know, chat. Are we in any trades to start off with? We have 5 minutes into the Frankfurt Open and we have gone nowhere. But let me know if you guys are already holding trades, if you're looking short or long today. Let me know. I'm also going to just take a quick sip of my coffee, get caffeinated. It's a 3-hour session lock-in. 3-hour lock-in session. Let's go. All right. All the good mornings are coming in now. All right. Good morning, Petros Pros. Good morning, Kiz. Good morning, Fatu. Good morning, Bestie Jane Town. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Mark and Trades. Deshaun's brother. Knowledge Nuggets. Good morning, Cicelyne. ES swept 4 hour high. SMT with NQ. You must have said that before NQ swept because NQ has now swept. And my camera has just disconnected. Yeah, sorry, Roman. 1 sec. That is a loose cord, guys. I'm still here. Give me 1 second. And we're back. We should be back. In 3. Yep, there we go. Okay, yes. So NQ has now swept. There is no SMT. I'm just gonna make sure I don't knock that cord with my leg. SMT no longer, and Q has swept out its previous 4 hour high. So I'm currently looking for a shorting opportunity here on NASDAQ. Good morning, CMA. Good morning, Amia. Andrea says, true, that next best trade is around the corner. You get it, Andrea, you get it. Good morning, Anizio. Says, good morning, C Money. Happy Monday, guys. Sat says, I lost control on Friday and lost my weekly gains. I'm disappointed, Sat. I mean, there are ways to fix it. Just don't do it again. Sometimes you have to feel the burn in order not to be burnt again, if you know what I mean. I mean, if you want to talk about it, like, how did you lose everything? Your whole weekly gains on one day. There is nothing worse. You have to implement some sort of risk management, self-control, discipline in order to not do that, because there is just nothing worse. You're really going to hinder your progress in your trading if you're unable to just take your hands off the mouse when you're losing, if you've had a loss, whatever it is, and step back and not take that trade. But it does take time. I still sometimes struggle with that, but really happy with the way I dealt with my losses last week. Didn't overtrade, took my 2 losses in the London session, got off, didn't trade New York, came back the next day. Took 2 losses again, got off, like, wasn't filling the market. I knew that also, like, sometimes you're just not filling the market. Your strategy just isn't there. And so it's better not to push yourself or, like, force yourself onto the market and wait. And then I waited. Friday was a clear opportunity and I risked well enough. I did play the minis and it was a nice win. And you saw me, I was trading micros on those other days because I said they aren't A+ setup. So they were on the probability side less likely to play my favor because of XYZ. They weren't all aligned with my checklist. And given the context as well, they weren't clean A+ setups. So I risked accordingly. And that is going to save my account as well, my counts. That saves accounts because you know you're not risking heavy in the setups that don't look the cleanest. And then you risk heavy in the A+ setups. Good morning, Kev Festival says, how are you, Aussie won first game? How are you feeling? Yes, guys, Australia won their first World Cup game. I was so excited. I woke up early to watch that game here in Greece. That was such a great game by the Socceroos. I'm so excited for them. I'm pretty sure we're good for the group stage. Pretty sure we're going to end up on top. But yeah, killed it. So all my Aussies watching, guys, we got this. World Cup is ours this year. Knowledge Nugget says, Celine, I'm stuck in a loop. One day I make 500 and next day I lose 500. Sounds very familiar to a place I used to be in. In the first year I started trading, really. It was like win once, lose a few times, win like a big one again, and then give it all back away. It sounds like do you have a strict strategy in place, knowing when to take your trades, when not to take your trades? For example, when you have an A+ setup and when your setup is not there in the markets. If you don't have that already, if you don't have a way to determine when it is an A+ setup and you should be in the trade, then I would recommend you go away and do that first. Give yourself the framework before you get into these markets. Because at least then you have something to follow, a strict procedure, strict framework. That way you can tell yourself whether this trade is worth the risk and whether it's not. That way you won't see yourself up, down, up, down, up, down. Although those fluctuations in P&L is normal as well. In saying that, you might be someone who does have a system and it's just not a good time in your trading right now. And it can be up and down. You can win a trade, lose a trade, win a trade, lose a trade. But if it is too consistent, as in month after month after month, you're still seeing this, then yeah, I would suggest at least implementing a strategy. If not, definitely a risk management strategy. Something like taking partials is something that really helped me, at least taking money off the table and things like that. But it's hard when I don't know exactly how you trade. There's a lot of general advice I can give there, but also a lot more specific to you if I knew a bit more about how you trade. Savage Celine, is Claudia joining London Session stream? No, not today, sadly. No Claudia with me today. But last Friday was fun, guys. If you were there, we played Mario Kart. That was finally I was able to play versus you guys, versus Nick, and that was so much fun. And yes, I do need to work on my Mario Kart games, certainly. It seems like games on the Switch is my issue. Like, I know you're going to say excuses, but when I play Mario Kart on Nintendo 64, like, I'm unbeatable. But clearly when I play Mario Kart on Switch, it's a whole nother ballgame. So I'll admit you guys are better at that, but it's not over. This Friday, I'm going to be ready. Tell us, great result for the Aussies. Yes, it was a fantastic result for the Aussies. And we have USA next. So you Americans, watch out, because the Aussies, we're coming in hot. We're playing really well, so I'm excited for Australia versus US. That's going to be exciting. Suriluki, you're Celine breakfast today. You already know, Suriluki, I had my protein yogurt with my protein granola. And that should sustain me for the next 3 hours, and my caffeine. And then as soon as I finish this stream, I go straight to lunch because I'm starving. Andre says BE stage is so energy draining, and sometimes the longest stage to overcome in trading. Just filter the bad trades and stick only to the good ones. Yeah, 100%. And to that guy that was stuck in the BE phase, if you're not journaling your trades, therefore you are not improving on anything because you are not reflecting on anything, and you don't know where those gaps are in your trading to fill, where you're either over trading, whether you're not following your rules, whether you're over risking, all these things, it's just, if you're not journaling, if there's nothing to reflect on, then yeah, you're never going to see improvement in your trading. So definitely start there as well. Knowledge Nuggets. That was the guy. He said, got it. I follow 2-3 systems, and should I reduce it? 2-3 system? What's a 2-3 system? Let me know what a 2-3 system is, guys. I have no idea what that is. Santana says, agreed. Sometimes it feels like it's a numbers thing. I'm learning sometimes it's better to hit first target. Yes, it is all a numbers thing. Guys, it is all data. It is all numbers. It's very important that you stick to the numbers when it comes to trading. 100%. Mexican Dance, good morning, says W. Celine. Keep up the good work. You're an angel, low-key. Well, thank you, Mexican Dance. I love that. Thank you for the compliment on this Monday morning. Appreciate you. John says, Celine, how do you deal with getting stopped out by your trade? Works right after. Can you enter again? Oh, John. Yes, you can. I have been through this many times because it was something that used to affect me, getting into an A+ trade after having been stopped out and struggling to see the next setup as clean because I was so triggered by the loss. But while I was doing this, I was realizing many times by hesitating that second setup, I was missing on a clean setup and then missing out on money. So after seeing that, after being burnt, this is why I say sometimes it's better to actually be burnt and better to make these mistakes because, well, when it hurts so bad, you want to change things and obviously don't want to repeat it. So I had just been burnt by that so many times. I would reflect on it, I would journal on it. I even tweeted on it like so many times saying, okay, here's my loss from today. And then here is a trade I wasn't in like 5 minutes after because I was just sitting there like being upset about the loss. But the point is, trading is a numbers thing. If I'm not in that second trade, then I'm messing with my probabilities, because I know if I play that system, given the context, given that that's an A+ setup, if for whatever reason, because of my emotional state, my mental state, whatever, I'm not in that trade, I'm screwing with my data. That's a trade I need to be in every single day. If I was a robot, that is the A+ setup. I need to be in that. So I don't care how I'm feeling after that loss. As long as I'm sticking to my rules, as long as it's still max 2 losses in that day. If it's max 2 losses I've taken already, I'm not trading. That's just because of whatever. That's because I know I could be over trading that day, just to take my foot off the pedal a bit. But if I've only taken 1 loss, there is no reason not to be in that second trade. No reason at all. Whether it's a loss or a massive win or even a small win, I need to be in that trade if it's A+. That is what I'll say on that. It's all about the data, chat. Andre, you're always... Andre will always pick me up on my Aussie accent slang. Apparently I say data weird. Data. What do you think of the Asia session from last night? I did not trade. Let me put that up on the screen to show you guys as well. The Asia session. Here it is. I mean, I don't trade the Asia session, but I know... Oh, my bottle's in the way there. But I know some of you would have been in longs here. So do tell me if you guys cleaned up in the Asia session from the open. If you guys longed, I know some of you would have. Well done to you. That was like a... What was the actual range of that entire session? I mean, for me, I measure from 8 to midnight. That is the kill zone. But from daily open to that high is 830 points, guys. So which one of you longed that? Good morning, Ursula. Good morning, Taran. Good morning, Kyle. Thank you. Everyone's with the compliments today. Hi, Celine. Bought him after this move. Yes, Misty. I agree. We could be potentially seeing a really boring London session after having such a strong pump in the Asia overnight session. It could be that we consolidate during the London session and then expand in New York. I hope not. I hope still, even though it is consolidation right now, we could still get a move come into London Open. And I'm not just going to solidify it in my mind that it is going to be a ranging session and then happen to miss a clean setup. But it is a possibility. Yes, it is a possibility today that happens. What do you want to see to start a short here, says Makami? What I want to see is definitely a sweep of the previous 15-minute high. So right now we have made a top wick and swept out its previous 4-hour high here on NQ, but I see lower prices definitely as a target. For example, this bullish gap that we have on the 4-hour time frame definitely looks like an area of price we can definitely drop back into. And then we have daily open, and then we have the new week opening gap as well as a clear magnet that I think, well, when I say clear, like I do expect us to drop there. We don't have to. Yes, NQ can do whatever it wants, but usually we will look to fill those gaps. So what I need right now is a alignment with the 15-minute time frame when the 15-minute sweeps its previous 15-minute high, and then we get a reaction on the 1 minute. And I try to be in that distribution on the 15-minute time frame with a 1 minute as my execution to link up with that. Andre says, I love little teasing, all good with the Aussie accent. We love the Aussie accent in this chat. Okay, good, because you guys have to deal with it for 3 hours straight. I don't like Asia. It's too slow. Where have you been? Asia session was the biggest session of the day so far. I mean, the only session of the day, but like Asia has been moving, guys. Every day we're seeing these big pumps in Asia and like a small grindy London session. So not true. Kiz says the way you say data sounds completely normal to me. Thanks, Kiz. I know you get it. Oh, is Roman playing guitar? Q says, thank you for gracing us with the guitar this morning. Roman must be playing guitar in the background for you guys, so enjoy the free show. Misty says I'm going for longs rather than shorts. Yes, guys, tell me if you are in any trades right now or looking the complete opposite to me. I want to know. If Roman, we can get a poll in the chat as well, just to see where everyone's at today in terms of bias. Are we aligned? Are we not aligned? Oh, okay. Sorry, Roman has already put a poll in there. Thank you, Roman. Okay, today I am bullish and hit the like button, or I'm bearish and hit the like button. Let's see. 66% bullish, only 33% bearish. That is fair. Like high time frame, that makes sense. But in the session today, I sort of want to see this drop. The business lens, I'm in short, scalping 20 points up and down in chop. All right, let's go the business lens. Hey, we got I am Nick Metzger in the chat. He says, I've been in short since 6 p.m. Eastern market open. Oh, no. Nick, I will pray for you. Where is your entry? Oh, my gosh. Literally the open? You shorted this? I hope you must only be in one micro, right? At this point. Let us know, yeah. TF change us a good. What's the current average you're in, Nick? I shorted the top. Oh, I shorted the top of the opening candle. Okay, I see. Like 330 and like 337. Okay, not the worst. Anyone else in shorts with Nick there? He said current average in Tradeify accounts is 30,150. What? Your average is down here? Pray for Nick. It will come down, Nick. Chat, please believe. When Nick has a plan, he executes and it pays. So we just trust in Nick. We trust. And Nick, I'm also looking for shorts. So, you know, on June contracts line. Oh, wait, have we rolled over? Don't mind me, just probably reject. No. Wait, we're still on June contracts. I just don't have them from here. One moment. Oh my gosh. NQM. There we go. Okay. There we go. Now I'm on the June contracts and we can see price. Okay. That makes sense. I was like, what the hell? Okay, his average is 150 and right now we're trading at 243. So not the worst. But let's see if we can get a setup for the shorts. Right now we are approaching the previous 15-minute high and we'll see. There we go. That is a sweep of previous 15-minute high. We will now wait to see if there is a reaction on the 1 minute to the downside, a displaced candle inverting on the 1 minute. If not, if price just wants to keep printing to the upside, I'm looking at definitely this hourly swing and then all-time highs, really, as the next level that I think we could be bouncing from. I like to use the swing highs and any gaps to determine where we could potentially reverse from. And at the moment, we are also popping into a 4-hour bearish gap, which you guys should know by now. That is a plus setup for me now to take shorts out of this. So sweeping previous 4-hour high into a high time frame or a 4-hour bearish gap, so in the direction of the trade, that is an A plus setup for me. So now I am very much interested in shorting this. Just have to wait for the A plus setup to show in the 1 minute now. switched to September. Volume is high now. No, it's not. What? Oh, wait. Oh, my gosh. I looked at... Okay, guys. I was looking in this column. That is not the column. I did not read the volume column. Okay, yeah. We actually have switched now. I need to be trading the NQU. Oh, my gosh. All right, here we go. These, we have switched over, guys. I need to make sure my Tradeify is up to date. Make sure I'm not trading the June contracts. That would not be good. Thanks, Nick. I'm glad you're onto it because I'm half asleep this morning. All right. I'll just make sure that's updated. Good catch. Otherwise, I would have been trading the wrong contracts. Would have struggled to get filled there. But yes, we have now switched over 42,000 in September. So guys, switch over if you haven't already, if you're like me. Dum-dum. On this Monday morning. Oh, Roman, yes. 500 people are watching. Hit the like button. Okay, chat. We do need, now that more of you are here, we need to smash a like button because that means if we do hit the goals I'm about to set, we will, one, bring Nick on, and secondly, we will do the first giveaway. So I'm going to say 315 likes to bring Nick on today and 415 to do the first giveaway. That is it. Easy peasy. You guys will smash it. Make sure if you're just tuning in, smash the like button and we can do that giveaway and we'll bring Nick on. Jam says, good luck shorting LeMayo. All right, screenshotting that one. We'll come back to that in a minute. Well, not in a minute, but soon. Thanks for the receipts. If you trade wrong contract with gold, you will lose big. I lost 2 accounts in a row on MGC. Yuck. That's not nice. Morning, Lucky Mon. Chat, no one's told me that they're in any trades yet except for Nick. Mrs. Selena Short means, Nick, you don't get profit. You only trade London, not New York and YM session. What? Not true. I do trade New York session too. Short is shorting Nick. Yeah. We are dropping. I don't have a setup yet for me. I do have to fill in now my... I drew up on the other chart. Now I have to draw up on this chart. So that's my 4-hour gap. I'm watching. I might actually take this. Oh, I don't want to take it. The only reason I am hesitant is because we are literally 45 seconds away from the new 15-minute candle open. So this is not an A+ setup, but it was a nice reaction at that. In that 4-hour gap on this current 15. So the chances that we're going to draw price back up to here to sweep this high and then drop doesn't look so likely now that we did add, oh, well, just go back a bit. Now that we have had that reaction already happen here where we swept the previous 15-minute high, it left this nice wick and now we should be good for the short. So at my discretion, I might just short it, take it from now. I will size accordingly because it is an A+. I'm just gonna do just gonna set a limit there. Okay, I'm actually in the micros on this. Give me a sec. I actually, Roman, need to quickly switch charts. Hold on. Let's see if I can do this. One moment. All right. I will. It's all good. I will put that here, and then I will just quickly switch to this account. All right. Done. Okay. This should... Oh, wait. Why is the trade not showing? Yeah. Why is the trade not showing? Excuse me. Tradeify. Oh my gosh, I'm in minis. Oh my gosh. Oh, I did it again. All right, this is bad. This is bad. I'm in minis. I shouldn't be in minis. Okay. I might be cooked. I've just traded minis instead of micros on my funded, so I'm about to close it out here. Okay, I've closed that out. That was just an execution mistake, guys. Okay, and now we're gonna drop. All right, I need to get rid of this, and this. Wow, fail. First trade on a Monday. That was not good. All right. Yes, it can still play out, but that is not, I'm not willing to risk that much on my funded. So, yeah, that was not good. Hold on. I need to make sure I have the micros. All right. If it wants to come back up, I will leave a limit here now with micros. Oh my gosh, that was like, why is that not showing? All right, here we go. Here is the normal trade. I mean, it is an A+, so I'm okay if it doesn't take me. I can still get another setup today, but I'm basically not expecting us to go up, sweep this previous 15-minute high again into this 4-hour gap. So let's see. If it wants to fall without me, it can. I'm basically taking the FVG after the tap into the 4-hour gap. Let's see what happens, chat. Let's see. What size is this funded? This one is a 150K funded, and there are 3 of those, and then there's 2 50Ks as well copying across. Sports Tracker Jam, you could have bought a Lambo if you took a bit longer to realize. No. I don't know. Sometimes I'm still making these execution issues, these problems, these errors. And really, what I did do once is just clear the minis off my chart, so I wasn't ever accidentally in them. And for some reason, they're back. So the minis are gone. Watch this now print and just be like a dump of a session. Whatever. Did you do the select daily or flex? These are the growth accounts, actually. These are funded growth accounts. You live in the... Oh, we're just going to sit here and watch it dump on us, aren't we? You live in the US. How can you trade at this time? I am not in the US. I am in Greece. So this is the perfect time to be trading. This is 9:30 in the morning for me. Perfect. See what... Can you talk about the IFVG? I know what it is, but are you talking a bull inverted to go short? Does it have to form after the sweep? Oh my days, guys. This is... If you're in shorts right now, chat, in the minis, whatever you're sized in, I mean, well done. I only closed for the sake that I was sized way too heavy in funded accounts, which is absolutely normal. Like, I should not be sticking in a trade oversized because there was the risk that that was going to take me out for a bigger loss than I wanted to be in. So I closed it when I realized when I dropped back into profit, and I closed it out. Had I not closed it out, yes, I would have been up like 20 points, but it's not end of the day. It's not end of the world for me, whatever. like it is what it is. And these are the things. I need to be focused. I need to not be trading the wrong contracts. But yes, anyway, W's if you guys are in this little short. But to answer your question, can you talk about through the IFEGs? So what I look at when I'm trading my model is that I need to have the most recent 1 minute FEG inverted after the sweep of the previous 15-minute high. So basically, I'll see if there was so for example, in this case, this is a small FEG. I wouldn't have taken this trade because that gap is just so small to determine a gap or a, bear taking over, or, it's just not significant enough. That is, yes, discretionary. Let me see where I would have possibly taken a setup today. Let me check if there was one on gold to show you. Okay, for example, at this time, you have the sweep of the previous 15-minute high, aligned with we have also swept previous 4-hour high. But when that 15-minute high sweeps, I need a bearish inversion for value gap. So where the bullish gap gets inverted by a displaced bearish candle. And that is the inversion I want to see on the 1 minute. That is the displacement, and that is the signal for me to enter short after the sweeps have happened. And it's just a cleaner setup for me because there is momentum, especially when there is a displaced candle. It's the same way someone might take like a market structure shift. That's basically the signal I'm using to tell me that there is like a momentum shift here and the bears are taking over. So I hope that makes sense. It's basically just a gap being closed in by an opposing candle. I could say it as simple as that. But yes. NQ. Choppy chop. We could still be getting tapped into this short. Bogdan says, Colleen, are we getting cooked in this short? Well, Bogdan, I am no longer in this short. I obviously closed out when I realized I was sized absolutely wrong because these are funded accounts, and I closed the trade early. So I'm not in this short anymore, but I do have a sell limit at 543, hoping to get tapped into this. I don't expect us to, this was the, I don't expect us to break any higher than this 15-minute candle's high now. So this is the sweep reaction, the 215 candle. That was the sweep and drop that I wanted to see when this candle's high swept out this previous 15 minutes candle's high, and now I wouldn't expect us to go up and break that high again. So that is why I was in the trade. It's not a plus. I would have preferred to be in this candle, but I didn't have the 1 minute reaction during that candle. So we'll see. It looks like it should drop. We are looking heavier on the 15 minute. We do have London Open still ahead of us. There could be volume to push us up and then drop. But right now, zooming out, when I say zooming out, this is still just the 1 minute, but we are just ranging here. Like, we haven't had any crazy move that we've missed out on at all. Simplify says new to divergence, but I think I see a bearish divergence. Let's have a look. What is ES doing at the moment? Yes, you could say we do have that divergence between ES and NQ. Basically, this high from the 2 a.m. Frankfurt Open has been swept by NQ. So if you go from that high that swept, there is an SMT there. That is also why we are seeing, well, could be why we're seeing a reaction to that sweep, because ES failed to sweep. So that is nice. That does go along with the bearish bias there. There is a SMT with ES. And yeah, It does look clean for the shorts. Still waiting to get tapped in here though. Yes, Trader Susan, I see multiple marks of IFVG on your chart marked by your indicator. Could you explain how do you decide which ones are worthy of trade and how you decide? Yes, that is a big... Oh, I think I just got entered in. Yep. All right. I'm now in the trade. One moment, Trader Sue. I will get to your question. I just have to put in stop loss. I do have to set a stop loss for myself. Okay. That's that. And then I'm going to take, yeah. And then okay. All right. That is the trade. Now, Trader Sue, the reason, so the way I determine which IFVGs are considered is definitely, what's a stop loss? I know. But basically the conditions of the market. So are we in a ranging market? Also, if we're in consolidation, I don't like to be trading a reversal in the consolidation because that is basically a signal that we're in the accumulation phase. If we're just chopping around, similar to this is not a plus. But also the other point to make is if it is a small FVG, and when I say small, if it's less than a point, if the gap is the size less than a point, I wouldn't really consider it as a real momentum change there. And also if we haven't tapped into a 4-hour gap in the direction of, so if it hasn't tapped into a bearish gap and we have inverted on the 1 minute, it's also less likely. So I'm not always taking those inversions. And what else to consider? Usually those are the decisions I'm making that aren't as robotic. Like those are at my discretion, whether I'm actually taking that setup. Those are the things that can't really be measured. They're just more like how I determine and how, like, after a few years now of watching NQ, what I determine is like the cleaner inversion. But yeah, I hope that makes sense. Hey Celine, where's your stop? The stop is at 568. It's sitting just above the previous 15-minute high, just in case it wants to sweep and then drop again. I'm leaving it room. You guys have seen so many times before where that has happened. And I have been caught by just not leaving my stop enough couple of points room. Nikhil says that's a violent push up, maybe stop loss tighter. I'm happy with the risk. Right here it is on, it's 26 points with 4 micros, and this is a 150k account, so it isn't going to make or break this account. Like I said, this is an A+. You can't actually see my indicator printing this setup at all because I wouldn't necessarily take this without having had that sweep first with the 1 minute reaction, but I'm still taking this. Slim way entering late. Well, I'm kind of just re-entering a position that I had with the wrong size. Chat, by the way, it is not far from London Open. That means that we're very close to having Nick on, which also means we need the likes. So right now there are over 700 of you watching with only 213 likes. What the hell is this? What? Chat, come on. Really? I said 315. I know I said that. So 100 more. There are over 700 of you. That means if everyone goes and smashes the like button right now, we can also, by the time we bring Nick on, also do a giveaway. So go ahead, smash the like button. We'll do that giveaway and we'll also bring Nick on. Morning, Leia says, guess who bought a house? Let's go. Congrats. Congrats, Leia. That's huge. I mean, very exciting for you and your family. Very exciting. When do you move in? What indicators do you use? Cuban Hack says, what indicators do you use currently? All right, here we go. Indicator talk. I'm currently using 2 indicators. One is sessions and key levels. Both are built by the same PineScript developer, and one is just my own indicator that basically visualizes what I need to see when I'm trading. It looks at 4-hour highs, a high time frame, intermediate time frame. It also looks at inversions, and it has some filtering for the way I like to trade. That's basically that one. And then the sessions and key levels is just this one here. This one, Script Edge. That's the sessions and key levels. It just prints all the basic sessions and key levels. All right, so that is 15-minute high, previous 15-minute high sweep right there. Let's see, I'll delete this manual. Let's see if this inversion prints. If we get an inversion now, I would actually probably even size into this trade right now. Mr. Mojo, oh, I've touched that chord again. No. One sec, chat. I'm gonna bring this camera back to life. Okay, we should be live. There we go. The cord is very loose and it sits right below my feet. So if sometimes I'm kicking my feet around, which I do from time to time, it just, I end up knocking that cord. So I have to do something about that, but I'll do that later. Yes, Mr. Mojo, Celine, you're mainly trading ICT. Yes, I am. These are all ICT concepts. That is who I learned trading through. No, C-word, does your model have to be in a daily FVG to set up? No, not at all. I do prefer it to be in a high time frame FVG, but it doesn't have to be. It is A+, AA+ if it is. So if this inverts, I actually wouldn't mind to add another contract here. But yes, to answer your question, no, it doesn't have to be in a daily FVG. I more prefer it using the 4-hour gaps, to be honest. Plays with fire, my first ever London session. Wow, pretty much the same number of people as the New York session. That's awesome. Yes, welcome to the London session. Okay, we're growing. We're getting pretty big here. So welcome to all you newbies watching the London session, the Euro session. There are heaps of you here actually right now. And we go for 3 hours here. Nick is about to join us in the next 10 minutes. So stay tuned. It's a good time. It's a fun time. Sometimes we win. Right now I'm in a trade shorting NQ, so let's see. Buy high, cry high. Good morning. Where can we learn about your strategy? Stay tuned. I will film a strategy video. You guys have been asking for long enough. I am filming one and I will get it out ASAP. So that big candle is like a gap, right, Kyle? Yeah, this I guess like you can say, do you mean this big candle here? This is a gap because if you use candle 1 being this candle, candle 2 is this big candle in the middle, and candle 3, the gap lies between the low of candle 3, so that's why the box is drawn to that low, and the high of candle 1. So the price in between here is considered the fair value gap. And this is the gap where you would expect price to draw back into. The other way you can use gaps is as inversions. So when price has traded through it and inverted, like so how this candle is looking like it's going to close below the gap, you can use it as a signal of strength to the downside. And I like to use it as like a momentum shift, the same way you might use a market structure shift, like when we close below a swing point, in that sort of regard as well. Beatoj Freak says, hey there, I'm up. I just finished watching UFC and thought I would go trade with my favorite traders. Let's go. We'd love to have you. Appreciate you. Who won the UFC? I'm like not the biggest UFC fan, but I did see there was a big thing happening down at the White House. I know our very own Brett is down there. Let's see. Oh, okay. All the results are already in. So it's finished. You guys have finished the UFC now. I don't know any of these people. I'm just looking at all the fighters now. I know none of them. Not interested. Hello, so where's TP and stop loss? Stop loss is sitting at 30,568. TP is sitting, first TP is 502. That's a bit wild. And then second is 472. Let's see. I should actually have that measured. I'm gonna reduce that first TP just to these lows. Yeah. One moment. It's taking a bit more of a 1-to-1 for that first TP, so I'm just reducing it. That should be roughly a 1-to-1 there. Back into Asia. High. Cool. So let's see. We're having a little bit of a hold up here after sweeping that previous 15-minute high. I would love to see some displacement to the downside now, inverting this gap. Let's not stall any longer, NQ, please. UFC was insane. This guy had a 80-to-1 chance to win. One. Did any of you guys bet on it? Also, is anyone betting on the World Cup? Because me and my fiance had a good bet on for a few legs of the World Cup, and Netherlands screwed us over last night with a draw in like the last minute. Japan scored, so I was so annoyed. Could have made generational wealth from that. No, I'm kidding. I didn't have that much on it, but we did have a good chance. And it got crushed. All hopes and dreams were crushed when Japan scored in those last minutes yesterday. When will Nick join? Well, Nick will join when we smash the like count. So if we don't, then no Nick. Let me check. Where are we at? Right now, there are 800 people watching, 312 likes. So 315 likes is absolutely doable. We'll bring Nick on. Yep, 314 likes. We'll be bringing Nick on any minute now, whenever he is ready. And when we do bring him on, after that, we will do a giveaway very shortly after. So he will come on in the next 10 minutes. And then you guys look like you're already going to smash the first like goal, possibly by the time Nick gets here. So first like goal to smash for the giveaways, 415 likes. Once you smash that, we will do a giveaway. And then after that, we will do another one if you smash the next like goal. We're always giving away free accounts here at Tradeify. Betosh Freak says, Selena, I have a betting Discord. I'm crushing it during the World Cup. No way. All right, tell me, what have been your play so far? And did you have Netherlands, Japan to be a draw? Because that was, to me, that was rigged. NQ is extremely bullish now. Yes, but we like to see a drop. I'm hoping to see a drop. This is why I'm in the shorts. We'll see if we get... I'm wondering to size into this trade or just leave the current risk. I'm going to leave it. That is now a setup playing out that is A+ now, because it did invert after the previous 15-minute high sweep. So I'm already in this trade, which is fine. My entry would have been like maybe, 2 points higher. So the entry I have now is solid, and I'm just choosing not to add a contract in here. Just going to let this play out. But yeah, just because we're bullish doesn't mean we can't take it a little short. Whoa, chat is going off today. I cannot keep up with the chat today. You guys are talking so fast. I don't even have time to read this. Okay. Slim, what are those DGen questions? Oh, about gambling? You know, we're all traders. We like to have a little bit of a gamble. Hi, Selena, you're a reversal trader. Yes. Yep. Yes, I am. Oh my gosh, this chat is going off today. There is so many of you here. I love it, but also, like, can you slow down? Give me a second. Which swing was swept? The previous 15-minute high was swept. That is the point where I'm looking to get in the distribution on the 15-minute chart align with we had already swept out on the 4-hour high. The 4-hour high has been swept, and then I'm looking for a distribution when the previous 15-minute high is swept. So when we have both those things swept, I'm waiting for the 1 minute to show me where we might get that momentum shift to break down. So yes, it's looking like we could break down from here, but anything is possible. We have London open in 5 minutes. So let's see what we get. Santana Flex, you're getting a bit on the spammy side there with your multiple messages. London opening. Yes, London opens in 5. We need Nick. Yes, Nick is coming. Nick will be here in a few minutes. Give him time to do his hair. But he'll be here. Celine is the indicator you're using on TradingView. Yes. We got the likes. Hell yeah. Well, I'm waiting for Nick. As soon as Nick is here, I will bring him on. You guys did do the work. You smashed the like goal. And if you smash the second like goal, we'll do it. We'll do a giveaway ASAP. And no, I don't have a video on explaining my indicator yet. These are all things I'm in the process. Look, I moved to Greece. I made a huge life decision, moved to Greece. So I have been very caught up in all of this. I mean, finding a place, sorting out even like the simplest things like internet, 5G setup. Like I've just been doing all that stuff that I have not given myself enough time to film any of these videos for you guys. But it is in the works. I will. It is priority. When I get all my life shit sorted, I will be filming those videos for you guys. Chen, the indicator I use for my model is not. You can have access to that. There is a link in my Instagram and Twitter bio. Otherwise, the sessions and key levels is completely free. That is just a basic indicator there. No, just for fun, says someone bet 2 million on PSG and won 4 million. What the hell? Who has 2 million to just drop on a bet like that? I mean, we know Elon does, but like, imagine dropping 2 million on a bet. Wild. Well, it looks like we are joined by Mr. YT in the back. Are you ready? And he is ready. So you guys did do the work, smash the like button. So actually, I'm not ready. I don't have my notes open. Give me one moment. That means it's time. Let me do the honors of welcoming Mr. YT wearing hand moving GP trading, biohacking, Mewtwo catching, steak with ketchup, abusing, sambo, trolling, intro, creating KFC, hating, Five Guys, loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, salmon mango, sushi loving, switch battle, winning, super slippery, sock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI, full porting, no prep, marathon running, dictator, DMC strategy, inventing, Mario Kart, thrice humiliated, 91 no stop loss win rate, once baited, Dishon, the one and only no stop loss butcher.
Good morning. My treadmill is fucking screaming again.
Oh yeah, what the hell is that?
This happens every now and then. So when I start it up, it takes like 5 or 6 tries. And every single time at 2.5 minutes, it starts screaming. People from the New York stream, you know it. But everybody put a big fat 1 in the chat if you think that Celine already crushed the first hour of this stream. And of course, if you're excited for another trading week, it's going to be a good week. Obviously, massive up move. Obviously, I am short. So yeah,
me.
I saw you've taken trades, Celine.
Yes.
On minis.
Oh, dude, why does this happen to me? I was also like on the June contracts. I was also in minis. Like it's not been a great day for executions for me, but I've managed to recoup that. I am in a short. I am sized correctly. I'm in micros, and hoping this plays out. Hoping the shorts come out today. The bears, where are they?
Nice. Well, it's gonna happen. We're high. We're high on the chart right now, so I believe in the shorts. There's London open. Let's see what happens here. Well, yeah, I haven't slept yet. I've literally been awake since the 6 p.m. Eastern open.
You're crazy.
Let's see.
Well, there is a nice London open candle for us.
Yeah, give us the shorts at least for the effort.
So wait, have you been at the charts the entire time, or did you?
Yeah, I've literally been sitting here for the last 9 hours. Now I'm walking, not sitting anymore.
Nick, what time is that for you? 6 p.m. open is like middle of the...
It's 12 a.m.
Are you okay?
No.
You're not okay. You have the trade on. You have no stop loss. You need to just go to bed.
Well, that's just on the Tradeify account. What do you see here? I have pretty much executions on every single candle.
Oh my gosh.
Well, like maybe except 3 or 4 candles.
You're wild.
On this account, I only got 2 executions.
Are you going to go to sleep after this? How do you?
What's that?
Are you going to sleep straight after this stream?
No. Probably. I have to restart the treatment again. Damn it.
Oh my gosh, guys! We're gonna have
probably
to deal with a Nick that has had no sleep or little sleep. So, good luck to us today.
Good luck, everybody else.
Good luck, everybody else. Sleepwalking? Yes, for real.
Yeah, I'm actually sleepwalking right now.
He doesn't even know this is real. Oh, this is gonna be a fun 2-hour stream.
Yep.
Yep. All right, I came very close to that first TP there. First TP is 519, nice. So
get it.
We can take that one.
Let's get it.
Let's do it. Oh, we already got some of you guys hitting TP1 already. Nice, Torres.
Nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Can you guys explain this short trade? Well, we're very high, as Nick put it. Hey, and we need to see a market.
Buy low, sell high.
Simple. No, but I use a little bit more framework. Doesn't mean it has to work, but I like to see when we have a sweep of previous 4-hour high and 15 and a 1-minute inversion. That is when I like to see a shift, a reversal pattern play out, and that is why I'm hoping to see the shorts play out here. But we shall see. Doesn't have to.
Let's get it. Yes, it has to.
Well, it doesn't have to now. It has to come down at some point, but it doesn't have to now. Okay, I have to tell myself that.
Yes, it has to. Market.
Nick, I can't imagine you at the charts for the last.
I mean, that wasn't the plan. I thought it would come down quicker, which it obviously didn't. Also,
yeah,
Celine, like, what time frame are you on there on your charts?
Sorry, I'll zoom out. There we go.
Scale out. You're still way too zoomed in.
But it's more exciting.
Look at that.
But the chat likes it. We all love the zoomed in, the adrenaline of the 1 minute.
Okay.
Stretched out charts. Like, this is boring.
Do what you have to do.
I have to like squint to see this. Like, what is this? Chat, do we like zoomed in or zoomed out price action? Because I'm all for the zoomed in adrenaline rush.
They're probably going to say zoomed in. Oh, another treadmill scream. Oh. 2.5 minutes have passed. We're going to do it again. Another 2.5 minutes.
That's so strange. 2.5 minutes.
It's weird. And it's always happening like 5-6 times and then it works. Kifa says, good morning, Nick. Quick question. Is Elvedi your brother or is it just another Nico who lost the battle against his hairline? What? I have no idea what you're asking, sir. No idea.
All right, I'm back on the 1 minute. That was boring.
Well, now you're going to get punished.
Oh, look at that.
Now, Roman, stay on Celine's screen.
Straight into the red.
Yeah, we need to see the adrenaline rush.
As soon as I switched, oh, look at that. From red to green in an instant.
Yeah, it's really key, honestly. Chat. The reason it's not just a fun joke to say zoom out, take a breath, right? It's like if you zoom out, you look at the market so much more relaxed than if you are on a very low time frame, very, very scaled in. Why are you? Everybody does their own thing, but I prefer to be zoomed out.
No, Nick is right. It's not good. It's not good to be so zoomed in.
Oh, depends.
You heard me, chat. Nick was right with that one. He was.
Sanity says Nick's screen makes no sense. His price says 200 when we're at 550. Yes, this is because Tradeify, for some reason, has still not switched over to September contracts, which is kind of weird. You should be trading September contracts right now, not June contracts. But apparently, Tradeify's like, nah.
Weird.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Beto says, hey Celine, here's some advice. Do not bet on Switzerland. Avoid it. Dude, Switzerland fucked up. That was so bad. I mean,
wait, remind me, what was that game? Switzerland versus who?
Versus Qatar. I mean, I don't expect much from Switzerland in the World Cup. However, we had the Swiss team had 25 chances, so 25 shots on target.
Jeez.
They made one, and that one was a penalty.
All right, that's pretty.
How?
Pathetic.
How? That's a skill to miss that often. I don't know.
Shame it counts when they put the ball at the back of the net. Otherwise, they would be leading. That's thing is, you have like an easier group, so you would say you.
That's true. They will still advance. I'm not scared of that.
They just need to do that.
Especially because right now everything is at starting point. Because every team so far had a draw, so everybody has 1 point.
Oh, in your group, everyone's had a draw.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Well, that helps you guys then. Australia has US this week, so that's going to be fun. Can't wait for that.
Australia. Wait, they're good at rugby, though, no?
We're not bad with football. We're not bad.
Yeah?
I was about to call it soccer, but I remember in Europe, I got to get used to calling it football.
No, we call it soccer.
In Switzerland?
Yeah.
The rest of Europe call it football.
No. Really?
Yes.
I don't know.
Football. For everyone else except for Switzerland. I thought it was just a US.
Well, we speak German, and if you translate it directly from German, it would be football too, yeah. But
there you go.
I don't know. When I say it in English, I say soccer.
Oh no, everyone's saying no soccer and football. Okay, well, interesting. Yeah, that's what I thought as well. But anyway, we're not bad. It's just that we're better at like rugby and cricket and those kind of sports, but we're not bad. Like we can definitely make this group stage. We'll win the group stage. Just don't know about the next.
Wow. Well, I mean, I've heard you confidently talk about winning things before. So can you make the group stage? Maybe winning it. If you say so, I don't really think that's the case. So we'll see.
It's a different ball game when I'm talking about me and my football playing skills, and then the actual Socceroos Australian football team.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
By the way, Mario Kart this Friday, right? I gotta do some work.
Sure.
Good. Gotta put in the work for that.
Oh, there's round 5, I think, or 4 or 5. Don't even remember. I think 5.
Why don't you just walk on the spot?
I do.
Screw the treadmill.
You know, super slippery socks walking. Mm-hmm.
Ito's freaks Celine, do you want my betting picks? Are you competing against your fiance? I'm actually not competing against him. We usually agree on the bets there. But do let me know if you have any good picks. I'll think about it. I will.
CMA says, Nick, you're talking about targeting a 1 to 5 trade here. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm not talking about R to R. But after factoring in the spread widening during this volatility, the commission cost per round trip, what is the actual realized RR? I said I do not give a shit about RR. I give a shit about profit.
There's a couple questions in here about cricket. Guys, I do not know a thing about cricket, nor do I like watching that sport. And I'm sorry if that offends any of you, but it's just so boring. I can't
Cricket? I don't even know the rules.
Oh, it's so boring. There's like two people with bats and you just...
Like a weird baseball, no?
Yeah, like a flat baseball. And there's two guys in the middle of the pitch and they run up and down. And it's about scoring as many, like how many times you can run back and forth. That's it. People are going to hate the way I just explained that, but that is what I think of it. And it goes for hours.
Sounds kind of lame. Well, but that's like baseball. Baseball games go forever.
Yeah,
like
but baseball
literally forever.
No, I enjoy baseball. I do. It's a bit different.
Okay.
But yes.
Okay.
Where are you both living? Nick is in Switzerland. I'm in Greece.
Yeah, Leah, you summarized it pretty nicely for CMA. Thank you.
His method won't make much sense to many of us, unfortunately.
Yeah, that's okay.
No, I'm kidding. Right. It only makes sense when you get it, chat. If you know, you know, with Nick's strategy.
That's a great explanation too. Oh, damn, look, people are shitting on you for explaining cricket that way.
Oh, no. What are they saying?
Let's doing it again.
Just put your super slippery socks on and call it a day with that treadmill. It's just not working.
No, we almost made it. This should be the one. Stop your like set a timer for 2 minutes and now 20 seconds.
Okay.
You'll see.
Okay.
Until you have the timer ready, it's probably 2 minutes and 10 seconds, but
look at me trying to find the clock on my phone. I can't multitask.
It's okay. Actually, no human being really can multitask. It's just a myth. People think they can, but they can't really.
So it's science-backed?
That you can't?
Yes.
I mean, you can do two things at the same time, even three maybe, but you're not going to be more efficient.
Well,
you're not going to be more efficient.
That makes me feel better because I cannot multitask. Very close to this TP incoming again. We'll see if it finally gets to hit.
Go get it, Colleen.
Machine gun Colleen. Do you have a money gun here? Fully loaded. Locked and loaded.
Shoot it. But do not jinx it.
Nope.
Do not jinx it.
Don't do it.
CMA says, Nick, I've noticed every time you get a big win, your coffee intake increases by 200%. Are you drinking coffee to celebrate or just to hide the fact that your heart rate is hitting 150 BPM while watching that trade? Well, CMA, I do not drink coffee, so I don't know what you saw, but I have not, I've never drank coffee because I don't like it. The taste is disgusting.
Ketchup though, he'll drink that.
Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah, chuck the whole bottle of ketchup. That's what we do. That's what we do. How was your weekend, by the way, Celine?
Really good. I spent all day at a beach club yesterday by the beach. It was so nice. Really, really love the Greece summer, the Euro summer in general. Like the weather is just perfect right now.
Yeah.
But yeah, you did a bit of work on Saturday and then chilled. There was a lot of football World Cup games Saturday night here. So I was watching the World Cup and that was it. What about you? What?
Did you set the timer?
Wait. Yeah. Timer.
See. It's always at 2.5 minutes.
Sorry, you didn't fix it.
No, it didn't fix it. Maybe this is the round. Let's see. Another 2 minutes and 20 seconds from here.
Are we seeing this?
We'll see.
Tease of my TV.
Damn, Leah. Leah be balling. Says I bought a house with a sauna, jacuzzi, and small garden. Nice.
Ooh.
Congrats.
Let's go.
Really nice.
Are we having like a welcome party at your house? What do you call it? Housewarming there?
We better be having a welcome party.
I'm just zooming in extra more now, just so everyone can be rage baited the same way. I am currently being baited by NQ here. Look at this.
It's playing with your feelings.
The low here is 21, TP at 19.75. So what is that, like a point and a tick? And then this low is at 2125. Yeah, this is just, it is ridiculous. Just ranging here.
It's okay.
It's
gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Wait, what did you say was the like goal for the giveaway?
415. Did we do it?
Oh, we're at 464. Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
Let's run one. Let's run a giveaway. Chat, I'll explain the rules. For this giveaway, if you want to participate, all you gotta do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, what shape or form I'm in, or any questions along the lines of that, you will get disqualified. If you ask me how to participate in this giveaway, you will get disqualified. So don't do that, okay? Just once the link comes, fill it out once, and that's it. Here we go.
I'm adding a big magnet down here.
Nice.
Hopefully that helps.
CMA says, Nick, I know you don't drink coffee. Well, that sounded differently before, but okay. So what's the secret? Is it pure alpha focus, or are you secretly drinking something? Yeah, it's actually this secret drink right here. So can't tell you what it is though, because it's a secret drink. Whoa! Now I see the chart's clear.
That's how it's been up since the market opened, guys. It's all in the drink.
It's all in the drink. E4F Mario Kart tonight? No. Today's not Friday, is it?
No. We got to lock in, chat. No gaming until Fridays. You know the rules.
Yeah.
Make the money first.
Wait, I think now we overcome the treadmill issue. Let's see. I gotta see the timer. Yep, 3 minutes 10. Good.
Oh, let's go.
We did it. Now it's gonna be fine for the rest of the session.
Let's go. First one of the day.
Rohan says Tracy just rolled over, did it? So let's see if I refresh here. Not for me, but that's maybe because I'm in a trade. Maybe it will once I'm out of the trade. Abby, Nick, did you get a haircut? Yeah, on Saturday, actually. I did.
You do look fresh for someone who has had... Have you had any sleep? Or just like 2 hours?
An hour and... Wait. An hour and a half.
I would be... I would be a mess. I mean, my eyes would be red for starters. I would not be able to see.
Oh, I will be later.
Oh, stop loss incoming. Is it? Oh, very close there. That's so annoying if this ends up taking me out for a stop. NQ, don't do it. Basically came within a point of that TP there. And now within a point of the stop loss. So very much stuck in this range. If we can just make a move either way, that would be nice.
That would be nice.
But now that we have all these equal lows down here, I am liking this even more for the shorts. Like it has to drop to take out these smooth lows. Come on. Selena, you're in multiple contracts. I'm trading 4 micros here.
Damn.
Not a lot of size, given that it is a small, like this is at most $150 loss on a 150k count. So it's not really a lot at all. I'm sized down because of the market conditions, because we're in chop. And yeah.
My problem is I don't have much drawdown left on these accounts because the market was really evil to me on Friday. I had literally I had the perfect trade on, and I got, listen, because right now I have growth accounts. I got DLL Nicholas Wicklist because of 7 points, and then it went up like 300.
Darn. Oh,
and I would have had, it's not like it went up 300 and I would have had my target at like 30 or 40. I had my highest target was at 300.
That happened to me on Thursday too, the daily loss limit, and then it dumping 300 points.
So now I remembered why I didn't like growth accounts, but no, I do like growth accounts actually, but the DLL is annoying.
It sucks. Oh, yeah, that's annoying. Oh well, you'll get the markets back today with these shorts. Yeah. Let's go.
We will.
Yes, KV Pip Chain, Celine House Greece, did you settle down? You could say I'm partially settled down. I'm still not in my new place. I am also looking at a couple of new places today, as I haven't fully locked in the place that I've decided to stay in, but I'm pretty much locked in everything else. What else is there to do here? I don't know. I've done all the usual, like set up my phone, I'm on a SIM, all that stuff when you move countries to get internet and whatnot.
There's a lot of things you gotta do.
There is a lot of stuff. Banking, visas, all the like, what do you call it?
Banking on the market.
What did you say?
Banking on the market.
Banking, yeah. So yeah.
All right, let me copy everybody over. And let's run that giveaway. But I first got to check if there were some stupid people. No? I don't think so. We should be good. Let's see.
No stupid people?
I don't think so. Right? I'm just checking everything. Just to be 100% sure. But I don't think so. Damn, we have a lot of entries now. A lot of entries. All right. Copying everybody over to the good old wheel of names. And then we'll see who wins the first giveaway of the day.
Do it.
Takes a lot of time to copy everybody over. Oh wait, we still have the cowboy hat on the wheel. Doesn't make much sense. But anyways, okay. Oh, well. First winner of the day is gonna be boom. Oh, Starboy. You won before. Starboy has won before. So nice. Starboy 84, type something in the chat. If you're here, you got 10 seconds. You got 10 seconds to type.
Nick, your camera kind of glitched out a bit.
Yeah, she's been awake the entire night as well, you know. So.
Oh no! Wait, why? Why was your camera awake?
I'm kidding. I'm just kidding.
Oh my gosh!
Where's Starboy? Not here. Starboy.
Now we know when Nick films only feet videos.
Yeah, obviously, like Sunday night at market open.
Trading all night.
Oh, Starboy's here. Starboy's here. Okay, so Starboy, let's see what you win. It's either growth, select, or a lightning funded. And today you get a 100K select account. Congratulations.
Nice.
So all you got to do now, Starboy, is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your Tradeify login email. And then once that's done, we're going to be sending you your free 100K select account via email within the next 7 days. So congrats.
Congratulations. I got that song in my head. I'm a motherfucking Starboy. That song.
Oh yeah, that song. You know the lyrics of the entire thing?
No. That's all I know.
Yeah, I could tell. I could tell.
Oh, Luke Plays TV said that's the account I won and got 2 payouts on. Hell yeah, Luke Plays TV.
Wait a second.
What?
Are you the fucking goat of stop loss right here?
Are you seeing this shit?
How close was that?
That was 30. So stop is 68.25. The high there is 67.50. That was within 3 ticks.
Damn, Celine.
Yep.
That's crazy.
It's not over till it's over. It's going to end up being my motto because this is happening.
It is never over until it's over, you know it. Been telling you this for a long time.
Yes, you have, actually. Roman, do you want to switch? We can switch to Nick's chart also, because he's also in a trade.
Doesn't matter. I think yours is more adrenaline rushed, so.
Well, someone
stay on Celine's room.
All right. Sorry, just for fun, because he wanted to see where your trade was.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm still
Um,
chilling.
I got the magnet down here, so hopefully NQ listens. We got this big magnet.
Well, how about Monday morning cookies and milk?
All right, sounds good. I'm happy to give it some cookies and milk. Here you go, NQ.
That's what he really wants, you know?
Take your cookies and wait, have your milk.
There you go.
Bit of cookies and milk for NQ on a Monday morning. Let's see. Yeah, Tim Trace's paradise for a range trader. Yeah, that's not me. I really hate these conditions right now. Need to see it move, drop.
You hate it.
I hate it. Absolutely hate it. We haven't done accents on here in ages.
True. Very true.
We've been too locked in.
Mm-hmm. Risto says, Nick, if you want to win, you need more than one account. Lots of winners are not in chat when win is called out. Makes me wonder why. What?
Huh?
I don't know. Maybe he's talking about giveaways. Not sure.
Confused.
Mm-hmm.
What? Iran war is over? I don't think so. Market would be reacting a lot different if that was true.
If what was true?
Iran war over.
I mean, that's the news. That's what pushed
Wait,
the
no,
market
did that
up.
actually come out?
Do you check the news?
This morning.
I mean, here, Roman, if you go to my screen really quick.
The latest is that it's over and I'm like,
Here, no.
wait, that was the pump?
The deal with Iran is now complete. That was 30 minutes before market open. Hereby fully authorized a toll-free opening of Strait of Hormuz.
I wake up and market is up.
Oh, I mean, it doesn't mean that it's actually over, but that was the news that pushed the market up, yes.
Oh, there you go. I didn't even bother to look into the 800-point pump today. I just thought, oh, SpaceX IPO. Oh, market's moving. Well, well, that's my bad for not being read up on. You know what? I was actually busy reading up on the SpaceX stuff this morning, that I didn't even look at the news. I was realizing that over 4,000 employees at SpaceX all became millionaires because of the
Yeah. That's the
instant
benefit.
millionaires. They can't sell like their shares in an instant, like it's part of their deal though. They can't just, so like slowly they'll be able to.
Same as with Nvidia and with all the companies when they go public.
Yeah, exactly.
Did you buy SpaceX?
I didn't, no. I think I'll wait a bit. I don't know. Yeah.
I'm not interested.
You don't think it's got any potential? Like space exploration?
Of course it does. Of course it does. But not interested in IPOs. I mean, I would be interested if I could invest way before they actually go public. And I could invest like a lot of money. Then, really interesting. But to buy it retail when it actually happens, you're way too late.
Yeah, well, the only chance you would have had is if you were like employed by them, really. The employees.
No. You can buy earlier. You can get access earlier if you have big money.
Well, that I don't have.
Well, not yet.
That is true. One day.
Not yet.
One day.
I mean, first you got to save up the 10K for the paddle match.
Yeah, that's true. The paddle match is going to be my whole life savings.
Well, we'll see.
I might be living on the street after this paddle match, guys.
She's trying to gain sympathy already.
I'm just so confident that I don't even mind the jokes anymore.
No, you'll do great. I'm sure.
I will. Absolutely.
You will absolutely give it your best. I think.
No, that, without a lie, of course I'm going to give it my best. Whenever I play sport competitively, I will give it my best. So especially when there's money on the line. You guys saw how I took Grand Cup very seriously there. Okay. I don't mess around.
I mean, that one night where you said, I'm going to be staying up all night and trade, you went out with friends.
I know, but that was one rookie mistake. One mistake.
Well, that was an expensive mistake.
It was. Well, I didn't expect the market on Friday to just be sideways after like 11 a.m. It wasn't even that late by the time I got on. But the lunchtime on that Friday happened to be the worst trading session ever. Gold wasn't moving, NQ wasn't moving. That was just shit day for price action.
Grandpa says we need a GoFundMe for Celine's tent.
Yeah, chat. I might have to start. Well, we'll see. I might not lose that paddle match, but if I do, I'm gonna need help from you guys. Get me back on my feet.
I mean, you said you were gonna win 100%, right?
100%. But I'm allowing you to feel a bit better. I'm allowing the chat to have some jokes here, but I know I got this. Claudia knows too. She plays like she's nervous, but she's got this.
Well, the last thing I heard from her was, can I switch teammates? Is it still too late to switch team?
It's not fair.
That's the last thing I heard from her.
No one's even seen me play tennis or paddle. I don't appreciate the doubters here.
I just know how many games you've played. Ish.
Well, through the app, that is. What if I'm not always booking courts through the app? What if I'm just like playing paddle at a random location?
I mean, you could be. You could be. That's for sure. Oh, we got over 1,000 viewers, by the way.
Let's go. Welcome.
Peoples of the internets.
Welcome to this rage-baited NQ trade that I'm in right now. We came within 3 ticks of my stop.
We are in this together, Celine.
That is true. Well, yeah, let's give it context. Nick has been awake trading all night, pretty much, from midnight, Switzerland.
Yes.
I have been rage baited in this trade for pretty much the last hour. So we are probably the two most patient, strongest NQ traders you're going to find out there. Because look at this. I've entered and we have sat in consolidation pretty much the entire time since I've been in this trade, but we'll see. We will see.
Plays with Fire says there are almost 2,000 viewers. Why are you lying? It's not true.
Lying.
Team Man, did you guys trade the New York session? Well, the New York session hasn't happened yet. That's going to be later.
Nick, we didn't set a second like goal.
We did not. Let's make it easy. Let's make it 818.
Okay. Oh, I'm not like
Viral Pulse, are you the peanut? Are you the peanut in Tradeify that came in 4th on the tournament? Well, first of all, it's a potato. And second of all, it is not me. No, it's the other Nick.
I don't love where this stop is now. Just gonna give it a bit more room.
Getting close. It's getting close. I have room for another 110 points.
I can risk a bit more here. Let's see if we get...
Go for it.
Okay. All right. That's it. $187 loss on the 150K accounts. That's fine. That is nothing. I'm okay with that. Cookies and milk did not play out today.
Well, seems like he wasn't hungry.
Not yet. That's okay. I'm going to wait. I still want to catch these shorts. I'm not going to force anything, but I will wait for another short setup. I'm still bearish biased for the session today, but we obviously had a huge pump overnight. So potentially we are going to sit and chop for a little bit here. And maybe it was just a timing issue.
Well, we have been slowly grinding up for a very long time now, actually. I mean, after the initial push up, we got a little bit of consolidation, then another push up. And since then, pretty much since 8:30 p.m. Eastern time, we've just been slowly grinding up. I mean, literally 8:30 p.m., we were at 30,450-ish. And now, 5 hours later, we're at 30,560-ish. So like about 100 points in 5 hours. That's not a lot.
That's nothing.
It's a slow grind that makes it hard. It needs to break in one direction.
Yeah. The slow grinding markets or the rangy sort of markets, not my favorite to be playing a reversal out of. It's never nice. What is gold doing? I would assume... Yeah, gold had...
Also, Grandpa drops. Why are you cheating on Tradeify?
What did he do?
I saw him in other stream chats.
Grandpa?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, we need to talk, Grandpa.
Mm-hmm.
Not allowed.
Definitely not allowed.
We might even take off Grandpa status for that one. I'm no longer wanting to be part of that family tree.
Right? AG Trader. Well, to find out which of our viewers are cheating.
Who else?
I only saw drops.
Wow. I would hate to see any of you guys anywhere else.
Yeah.
You better not even try it, chat. Don't even try.
To be fair, there was no Tradeify stream on at the time, but you're still not allowed. Hey, the chicken is in the chat. What's up, chicken?
Chicken. Calimera.
Okay, so we gotta talk about this.
Okay.
Chicken has
Oh, did
taken...
you have your weekend in the mountains with the fire and that?
Yeah, we didn't do the mountains. We did do the forest, but it was nice. First of all, put some corn in the chicken in the chat for chicken. And second of all, chicken, I don't know what he ate or drank
Corn.
or some secret superpower that he got, but he got so good at Age of Empires, I don't stand a chance anymore.
Wow.
I literally get just absolutely slaughtered by him.
So you're not so good anymore.
I'm still the same. He just got really good. Isildur says, so we're not allowed to watch other streams? No.
Don't even
Obviously
think
not.
about it. For real?
What do you mean it was a tough one? Don't even try to be a nice guy, dude. You literally absolutely slaughtered me 5 times in a row. I thought I was the butcher.
So where to from here, chicken? You're gonna go pro? Like, what's the next? Obviously, Nick is not a good enough opponent for you. It's time to go pro.
He says at least you can trade. That's true. That's more important than...
He's being nice today.
Hmm?
He's being nice to you today, chicken.
Yeah.
At least you can trade.
I don't know what happened.
So how many hours, like, wasn't a long game then, I imagine?
Well, we did 5. He won 5 times.
5 separate occasions. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
4 or 5, can't remember. But
Is there pro Age of Empires players? Like, is it a pro game?
yeah.
Chicken.
It's pretty crazy.
You might have to start getting paid to be people. Celine, how's your Mario Kart?
Fan club incoming, Claudia fan club says.
Claudia fan club, I'm not happy. Can't believe that switch up happened to me on Friday. Not happy.
I think it's funny.
I mean, of course I'm happy for Claudia to have fans, but you were my OG number one.
Well,
I know I cheated on you with Claudia.
Listen how she says you were.
Wait, what?
I'm just telling Claudia fan club, listen how Celine says. You were. You're not anymore.
Well, yeah, the minute you switch up on me like that, you are no longer my number one.
That's what happens. The circle of life. Oh, look, there's Drops. Drops, you didn't hear what I said?
He's ignoring.
Celine told you lost grandpa status.
Well, yeah.
You know why, right? You know why.
Let's give him the chance to own up.
Mm-hmm.
Grandpa, if you admit what you did wrong today.
Thank you is not really going anywhere right now, so I do expect a big move coming. What news do we have today? Oh shit, I went to next week. Today. Got anything? Nothing big. Tuesday house building permits. What's this week looking like?
This week for US photo news, FOMC Wednesday.
Retail sales. FOMC Wednesday, yep. Jobless claims Thursday.
Oh, we got a shorter trading week as well, with Friday being a bank holiday in the US.
Oh, it's Juneteenth, huh?
Juneteenth.
See, now Drops doesn't respond anymore.
Huh. He's ignoring.
Grandpa.
We
Not
see
okay.
you in the other streams. Well, I don't, but Nick is watching you.
Mm-hmm.
JVM said, I just found out that living in London is good for operating both sessions or doing backtesting in the morning, training and studying. Great. Yes, London, if you're Europe based, it is such a good time for trading. Part of the reason why I'm currently now permanently residing in Europe. It's awesome if you're a trader. You can wake up, trade the London session, do other things in between your day, go train, go whatever, run a whole business, and then come back for the New York session. It's awesome.
GRV Singh says Euro session sucks. Euro don't have money to move market.
Well, maybe NQ is just a little puffed up from an 800 plus pump from this overnight session. So it's just gassing up again. You know, whenever we have consolidation, you can expect an expansion session next. So whether that happens.
It is going to happen.
Well,
undoubtedly.
Yeah. So whenever it could still, this is still only 44 minutes into the London Open. I mean, it still can happen this session, but if not, get ready for a New York session ahead of us. That's going to be wild.
Yep. Right now we're chilling. We are chilling. Claudia Fan Club says Israel about to attack Lebanon. Might be, might not be. The only way to find out is to find out.
I'm currently not in any trades, so that's not going to affect me.
Well, I'm in shorts, so
yeah, you'll be fine.
That wouldn't be too bad, but it would obviously be bad. Oh, did you see that video of that lady that got thrown off a bridge, bungee jumping, but they forgot to attach the rope?
No, I didn't. Fun. Is it real?
Or
AI?
Yeah. No, it's real. It's for it's filmed from like 5 different phones. It's pretty
What country is that in? How does that happen?
In Brazil.
Oh,
Pretty crazy.
Terrible. This is why I don't do extreme sports, because of those.
Well, that's why I don't do extreme sports in sketchy places.
Well, yeah, that's why I asked where the hell it was, because how can you be forgetting to put the
I have no idea.
on?
They literally had one fucking job.
Put the rope on. That's so terrible. That is so sad. Jeez.
Yep.
Strep says, Celine, I consider London session as best for trading over NQ. Only problem is the consolidation phase in London session. It's not always a consolidation session though. Like right now, yes, we are seeing a very slow grind up. You can call this consolidation. But normally you can expect London to be a bit of a reversal session based off the Asia session. Usually we can make some moves in London. This is a rare day, to say the truth, actually, for London to just chop around like this. Lately, London has been clean.
Yep. True. We've seen big moves lately.
Oh, and
but this ain't it.
Yeah, this ain't it. Oliver Tree? Who is that?
No idea.
Singer-songwriter.
No idea.
Oh, this is the guy that KSI posted with.
Ursula, when I add to trades, usually after 109 points-ish for the first time. That gives you a really nice average and protection.
Sorry, I just remembered, Roman, we can switch to Nick's chart, by the way, because I'm actually not in a trade. Nick is in a trade.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, so actually that guy is a singer-songwriter and also died in Brazil today. That's probably just a coincidence, but that's sad.
Well, never heard of the guy.
Neither.
Ahmad says, why are you dodging my question? We're not touching a question, we just don't see everything in the chat. You guys said you're bearish buys today, why? Well, we're very high on the chart. Can't talk. Bruh, that's my I didn't sleep brain.
Clip that, Roman.
Oh boy.
I told you, Chad, we're gonna get some great moments for Nick because he hasn't slept. He's had an hour and a half of sleep, so this is gonna be great. Yes, we got him. I can't believe.
We are very high on the chart, okay? Not hard. High on the chart.
Not. The market's getting Nick a little excited.
Oh my god. So I buy low and I sell high. So we're high, so I sell.
All right. Anyway. Sell high is what he was trying to say, and buy low.
No, I was trying to say high on the chart. All right, now I gotta go open my window really quick. 1 second.
Bogdan, I'm not reading that one.
I read it. Shit.
Isn't Nick's stop loss placed in the order? What does that even make? That doesn't make sense.
I don't get that.
I don't know.
I do not understand, sir. I'm sorry.
Just want NQ to make a move somewhere in some direction at some point. Hopefully to the downside.
Hama Madi says, I take short from the top. Nice. Nice. It's good.
I try take short from the top. Doesn't work.
CMA says, Nick, the London session is pure chop right now. As a live streamer, how hard is it to resist taking a subpar low probability scalp? Just to give the chat some action, do you actually have Well, I'm in a trade, so I don't have to take a low probability scalp. In the beginning, I struggled more with this, actually. Now it's like, it is what it is. It is what it is.
Zeroth law doesn't use stop loss. Oh, he just deleted his comment. But anyway, to answer you, yes, he has no stop loss.
No. We don't need that around here.
He deleted his own message. Oh, there we go. He said, doesn't he use stop loss in his trades? No. No stop loss in his trades.
The no stop loss butcher doesn't use a stop loss.
Nope.
Surprise, surprise.
Stock Trekker. Hey, Celine, are you French? Your first name sounds very Frenchy. No, I'm not French, but yes, it is a French name. Céline.
Céline Dion.
Céline Dion. Bonjour.
But your last name is like Dutch.
Dutch. You know what's funny that you bring that up? I was going through because obviously like my last name is Dutch, but I don't consider myself Dutch at all. But as I was watching Netherlands, I'm like, wait, is this the team I should be going for in the World Cup now? So then I was going through like the etymology of my last name, like trying to work out where it came from. And you can actually track it all the way back to like this one guy, which is crazy. He was a settler in South Africa. But I just thought that was so wild because you can basically track my family tree to this one guy. Anyway.
That's wild.
That was fascinating.
So basically your entire family is just this one guy.
Yes. It's just weird to think of. Well, down my dad's side, yes. From this one Dutch guy that settled in.
Misty says, I'm bored by this price action. I think we're cooked. Well, I don't think so. And we will see what happens when Tokyo Stock Exchange closes in about 7.5 minutes.
Claudia Fan Club is now coming for me. She said, Celine, try to say no.
Nor.
No. Look, I can say it.
Nor.
No stop loss. No.
Smoking a pancake. What?
What?
Mr. Patrick?
Where is Patrick? He never came back. I think
no,
like
he never
one day.
Back. He's hanging out with his watermelon friend.
Still hanging with his watermelon.
Yeah. Yep.
Precious lessons. Can we hold till market open? You can absolutely hold till whenever if you have no stop loss. Really, but I mean, wait, is there red folder news today? That would be the only thing I'd be cautious of.
No,
no, there's no news today. A bottle of water.
I gotta go to the bathroom real quick. Give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Okay. Try talking with an American accent. That one I can do. Depends, like what part of America. If you want the down south, I can give you the down south. Guys, that wasn't so bad. Tell me that wasn't so bad. Or I can just give you like American, you know, this is how they like talk, you know, like coffee and like markets and where you think NASDAQ is going, you know, the NASDAQ. Roman wants me to do Scottish. I don't know if I can do Scottish, but sometimes when I do an Irish accent, I think it like switches into Scottish. All right, this is it. Where have you been, Rosie? I've been crying all afternoon and Ma's not feeling well. That's my Irish accent, but I think it also is a little bit Scottish. Thank you. All right, Roman approves. Amir says, no, Celine, that's not how we speak. That is absolutely how Americans speak. It is. The markets and NASDAQ. You know, I think NASDAQ is going a little bit up here. Talk to Claudia in that accent. All right, next time we have Claudia on, I will give her my Irish accent. I think I have before. All right, chat. Who is holding the shorts right now? Because you guys have some patience. I've obviously got stopped out of that short, but I'm kind of happy because I feel like it was not wrong direction, just wrong time. I feel like this was not the time. We are clearly not seeing the dump yet. But I do still believe in the short. So let me know if you're still holding or if you're in longs, like if you're just not feeling the bears and you're actually in longs right now, which I don't approve.
Hello.
Hello.
Russell says shorts make no sense. Well, I still like shorts.
I still like shorts. Miss Jessie Trade says, just past 50k counts scalping this terrible PA. Well, Miss Jessie Trades, well done to you, because if you can make any money in this chop right now, well done. Congrats.
Congratulations.
Soft Tube, first time on stream, how to enter the giveaway. Pretty much when we hit the like counts, you'll see a giveaway form in the chat. You just have to fill it in. That's all. Pretty easy.
And I'll give you instructions on what to do. It's not too hard.
Where are we on the likes? I don't think we're...
I don't know. I don't know. You let us know, lady.
We are still a little while away. We need 818 likes.
818 likes.
And then we shall do the giveaway.
We can get that. We can get that done.
Bon journée, Céline et Nick. Well, merci beaucoup. Stock tracker.
Merci beaucoup.
So glad I'm not trading right now. It looks hard. Yeah. Well, I mean, unless you're a range trader, it's not fun to be trading this, or unless you're holding like Nick and building a position, maybe. But other than that, it's not really a fun London session today.
Not yet.
Xanaman, Sorry.
We'll get the W.
Oh, you will.
Just gonna take some time.
I got to time it too. I want to get into the shorts. I just have to potentially wait for the next 4-hour candle now. But I will be waiting for the bears to come out in New York session.
Or at 9 a.m. UK in 2 minutes when Tokyo Stock Exchange closes. Let's see.
Less likely, but yes, potential. This is just a disgusting choppy market.
We are chilling. We need 113 more likes. Once we're at 818, we're gonna run the next giveaway.
Very close.
All right.
Amir says, Celine, I think we should take it on 1 hour instead of 4 hour. What do you think? I love that you're saying like we're trading this together. I mean, I'm only gonna take my setups based on the 4 hour and the 15 ever. I don't ever use the 1 hour for a confirmation of a setup. Doing so would be outside of the rules and therefore not valid for me. So although yes, we do have a 1 hour previous high sweep, I mean, feel free to take that as a signal that it's going to reverse from that level, but it's not something I like to use. Stick to the plan.
Stick to the plan. Exactly.
Don't try force yourself onto the market. If it's just not showing a setup, like that's okay. I think people need to realize it's actually normal not to have a setup every single day. Sometimes you can catch yourself over trading if you think you have to trade every single day. And I know I can't always have an A+ setup every single day. That is true.
And I don't really trade A+ setups anymore. I just
I know.
buy low and sell high.
You trade very simple. And it works. That works for you. But I need more framework. That's just the way my mind and my brain will.
Fair. Absolutely understandable.
Because then I would be more like just taking anything and everything. And that was like more like how I used to trade, really, like without framework and more just like seeing a high or like a gap and then just wanting to go for it. But
just vibes.
Just vibes, pretty much. And then like not using things like time, like the time of the trade is very important. The hours you're trading, you want to be trading obviously with volume, nothing like this. But all those things came later on for me.
Yep. Fried Chicken says Nick's hair is A+. This is actually, thank you first of all. Second of all, this is actually I slept 1.5 hours, then got up and have been trading since hair.
Yes.
Didn't do anything to it. I literally did this once. Now we're good.
That is crazy. I think if you guys saw me after an hour and a half of sleep, you would be scared.
Well, maybe later in the day, people are going to be scared. Maybe in the New York session, going to be zombie walking.
No, you're not going to sleep before then?
No. It's morning now. It's 10 a.m.
Yeah, but you should probably just sleep a little bit.
No, then I can't sleep at night after.
Nick, I'm just going to put it out there. Guys, make sure you're in the New York stream today because Nick is going to mess up big time. Just wait.
We're gonna say stuff like
yeah. Like go back
we're
10 minutes.
high in the chart. I'm just gonna speak slower, okay? Easy. Very easy.
That was funny.
Stuart, hey Nick, do you use some type of mean reversion to VWAP with ATRs giving entry points? No, I don't use VWAP. I do use historical ATRs though. Fried Chicken, do you guys have healthy sleep schedule? Usually, yes. Usually.
I would say mine has been a little different since moving time zones and shifting, and now with the World Cup, I'm sometimes watching games. Sometimes like the latest the game will start is 1 a.m. And yes, I did watch a 1 a.m. game the other night. So it is sort of messing with my sleep a little bit there. And of course that is going to affect my trading. So last night I was up watching the Netherlands-Japan game. So that is obviously why I was a little bit shaky this morning with executing, but sleep is very important with trading.
Mo says, so Celine, you're saying it's the best day to prank Nick. Mm-hmm.
Yes, Mo.
Well,
you
just whatever, Mo, whatever
lines.
you put in the chat, I'll just not read it out loud.
Well,
It's
that
the
goes
best.
for the rest of you then, because he's watching you, Mo. But for the rest of you, you know, if you've ever wanted to slip up Nick, today's your day.
It could happen.
Andrina, are you in Greece, Celine? Yes, I'm in Greece.
Okay, new high for today.
Justin, welcome. Justin, you are late. Not good.
Justin, why are you so late? Did you make overnight oats?
The overnight oats.
Good old overnight oats.
Celine is in profits. Funny Bam, Celine got stopped. If you can't see the executions on my screen, I was within a point of TP, and then within a couple of ticks of stop loss, we came up and down to the TP twice and then stopped. That was my trade of the day.
No bueno.
No bueno.
Ay, caramba.
Good try. This guy Kishan. Hey Nick, me and Brett are close. Can you slide me an eval?
Sure. No problem, my friend. But I won't. I can. Michael says, hi, I'm new here. Is Nick always on the treadmill? During New York streams, yes. London, usually not so much.
Russell says the regime.
Russell?
Russell,
you little rascal.
Russell, the regime is clearly bullish, guys. All right, Russell, how much would you be willing to drop on that then? If this is so bullish right now, clearly, why don't you just risk your whole live account on this? I bet you wouldn't. Because you can never be so sure of a market's direction. And it is wrong to be so sure about it. You can never be sure.
It's not wrong to be sure about it.
Oh, it is.
You just gotta live with the consequences.
But you shouldn't have the mindset coming into the markets like it surely has to go up. It's clearly bullish.
You can.
But it's wrong.
It's not wrong.
Nick, it is wrong.
No. You can do whatever you want.
I'm trying to help these guys.
Mm-hmm.
Russell needs help.
Russell, do you need help?
Rushy.
Rusty.
Where's Congo Man? That is true.
That's a great question. That is a great question. I have no idea where the Congo Man is. But he was almost right on the SpaceX prediction. He said SpaceX is going to go up 33.83%. And it went up 30 point something.
Jeez. Maybe it's someone like with Elon.
Maybe it is Elon. Who knows?
That would be insane.
It's just like Elon Musk trolling Tradeify TV. Saying he's from the Congo.
Next week we get him on the stream.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm looking at another a short here. Just waiting for this 1 minute candle to close. Obviously now had that sweep reaction at the previous 15-minute high with the inversion. So this is now an A+ setup, and I'm waiting for this to confirm.
Justin says, "Okay, bye, guys." What do you mean, Justin? You can't just leave. You can't just leave like that. You gotta troll. You gotta troll Celine for overnight oats first.
No, Justin, go away. Leave.
Where's the Sean? Hmm. 1104 says that was announced before the launch. Everyone knew that. Sure.
Festive
Japan.
21.
What? Is that it?
Sorry, I'm talking out loud. I'm just doing these orders. Okay, all good.
Do it.
Do it. It's done.
Do it. Justin says, "I'll come back when Celine finally buys her Rolex." Well, the problem is, Justin, I'm gonna take the 10K off of her when we play paddle. So, yeah.
Oh, you guys. You have no idea.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Michael, Nick, are those moving lines in your chart? Nick, moving averages? Yes, I have 120 EMA and a 200 EMA on the 5-minute chart.
All right, trying the short from here. Let's see.
All right. Celine back in shorts with me and nicely zoomed in so that she feels the biggest adrenaline rush ever.
Look, the 15-minute chart, this is a whole bunch of consolidation. If we use this London sort of, well, we can take it from, where's Frankfurt? This is basically what we sat in all of the Frankfurt session, start of the London session. And now we are 8 minutes into that 9 AM volume. So we pretty much had a sweep of this consolidation, which is also sweep of the previous 15-minute high, and then a 1 minute bearish reaction with the inversion. So I'm basically seeing this as a sweep of the consolidation, accumulation here, manipulation here, and then hopefully distribution to the downside. But it doesn't have to work that way. That is just what I'm basing the trade off.
And I'm just selling high.
Yes, that too. We are very high. Very high.
We're very high. Is that so?
Celine, I imagine that in Greece you made this sign just. Oh, the Claudia fan club wants to be nice to me again.
What?
You might have to change your name.
What's that switcheroo?
I'm not going to take any compliments unless you change your name.
Damn. Is that the compliment requirement?
Yes, that is.
Wild. That is wild, Celine Killeen.
Shretha, waiting for high time from sweep. You don't need to spam in the chat. We can see your messages. We don't
No
always
need
see all of them.
answer.
Oh, is this going to be a second stop? Seriously, what is this price action today?
Celine.
You've tried to tell me about this stop loss issue.
Well,
Celine, just a question. Why don't you wait for a higher time from FEG to invest first? I've never tested that. Would have no idea. And I would never want to just enter into a position based on something I've seen today if I've not gone back, had a look at how that's played out historically in the charts. And yeah, not willing to just try something new.
she's like, and yeah.
And yeah.
Thank you. Come again.
V79. What a good day I chose to trade. Well, if you traded the Asia session, yes, that was a great day to be trading. But so far in the London session, not the best day. Couldn't have
Not the best day.
Frank, yes, I'm using Starlink. That's the only thing keeping this internet running.
But it's
Starlink
actually pretty good. It's actually pretty good. You can't complain about that.
is actually great. Elon knows what he's doing. Starlink is used by millions around the world. But in Greece, it's definitely a lifesaver here.
I bet.
Been in a trade since Asia Open.
Hey, that makes two of us.
But did you sleep? That's the question.
That's the real question.
Vector Motorsport, I put 1 micro on at the moment the market opened and went to bed, lol. Well, you probably woke up a very rich man if you longed it.
It depends with how much. Fonda Jabam says, knock knock. Who's there? Now we have to wait a couple seconds because of the delay. Lamest knock knock joke ever.
Waiting. Oh, he said he only had longed 1 micro. That's sad.
Only longed 1 micro. Ha, ha, ha. ILY, Nick, who you got winning the World Cup? Oof. Tough. Spain, probably. Spain or Germany.
Oh, I got England in the sweepstake. I need England.
Well, in the sweepstake, I'm absolutely super mega duper doomed. I have
What do you have again?
I have like Haiti, South Korea, and another really bad soccer country.
That's funny.
But I mean, what would be really epic, to be fair, that would be kind of like my wish scenario outside of Switzerland winning, of course, which is not going to happen. Argentina versus Portugal. That would be cool.
Yes.
In the finals.
That would be awesome. I hope somehow it's rigged just to make that happen.
Yeah. Could be. It would be cool, though.
It would be awesome.
It would be really cool.
Fun Shabam came back with knock knock.
Fonda Chibem, I already said. Who's there?
Oh wait, he came back with lettuce. Lettuce who? You gotta be quicker than this, Fun Shabam.
Who? Lettuce who? Let us in. It's cold out here. Lul. Flash Golden says knock knock. All right, Flash Golden. Who's there? Minsk. What about France? I don't know. I do not know.
Chad, do we think I have a chance with England?
With England? Probably not.
Really? I think I have.
Flash Golden says none, yeah. Well, none your business.
Yeah. Heard that one. Give us something new.
Mm-hmm.
It's the knock knock joke hour right now on with the London session.
Apparently. Viral Pool says USA winning it. I bet you 1,000 Trump rigged it. Dude, the US, they can't really play soccer. I'm sorry.
Wait, but they destroyed that game.
That's what everybody thinks, but the other guys were just really bad.
That's true. Wait till we verse them. Australia will show them.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna wipe the floor with US.
What's the furthest Australia has ever gone in a World Cup?
In the World Cup?
Mm-hmm.
I have to Google it.
Australia best World Cup result.
Wait.
Now Fabian says knock knock. All right, Fabian, I'll give you a shot. Who's there?
Round of 16 in 2022.
Okay, wow, Australia really sucks.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Switzerland at least got to quarterfinals twice.
No, we've never been that good. On the world stage against countries like Spain, Portugal, like we could never compete like that. Like I said, we're better definitely with
in the last. I think it was in the last World Cup, Switzerland beat France.
How? I didn't think about it. I'm going to have to look that up.
Fabian says Theodore. Theodore who?
In the Euros, you... Wait, you won
was it Euro?
penalties.
Was it?
Yeah, but
it
you
was
won
Euro,
on
not World Cup.
penalties.
I thought it was World Cup, but it's Euro.
Oh, and you scored in the 90th, in the extra time.
It was crazy. That match was crazy.
I can't remember this game.
Now I'm curious about Fabian's knock knock joke.
All right, what did he say? Theodore.
He said Theodore. The like target comment is 818. Theodore wasn't open, so I knocked. That makes no sense. Because it is not... Well, no, stupid.
It's all right. It's not bad.
Nah, this is... Not a fan. Bring a better one. Desktop manager, how often do you want to say it? What was this? I've loved to see Zombie walking in New York, Nick. Okay.
Celine, what does Alliance like previous 4-hour high or previous 15-minute high? Those are the previous, so P, anything with a P on my chart just means the previous level. And basically, yeah, it is what it is, a 4-hour high and the previous 15-minute high. I just use those levels of areas where we could potentially, once we sweep, we can reverse from, have a distribution from. So those are areas I'd like to be shorting.
Bodhi says a Swiss guy with a really bad haircut yesterday. Where did you see that guy?
That's so random.
That's funny, Bodhi. That is funny. All right. The question is, can we get the shorts?
That is the question of the session today.
The question of the session. Is it still going to happen? Yes or no?
It better happen. I'm giving it a second go here.
You are?
If it doesn't happen,
Wait,
then...
you're still in?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Don't give up that quickly.
How wonderful.
Yes, wonderful indeed.
Yes.
Flash Gon says Enki still got more pump at the moment. Potentially. Potentially. I mean, in Nick's case, he can probably withstand a bit more of a pump. I have a stop on this. These are fun dips, and I'm not willing to lose it today, given these aren't the cleanest of conditions.
Fair.
But
It's literally just a slow grind up.
yeah, I don't like this.
I don't like slow grinds up.
I don't like. Me
tough.
no like.
Tough. Hey, goodness Akizi. Good morning. How we doing?
Long time no see. Good morning.
Bogdan says, Link, can you zoom in more, please? 1 second chart.
Oh, all right. Let's just do it for the lols. It's going. I have had
Do a 5 second one.
I would love to see my heart rate monitor on this 1 second chart after a coffee. What'd you say? 1 second?
5 second.
Oh. Quick. We don't want to look at that. Yeah, 5 seconds. And let's like stretch it out. Wow.
On the Shabam, that was the worst one. You get a 10-second ban for that one. It's so bad.
Oh wait. What? Terrible. Guys, give us a good knock joke if you're gonna give one.
Mm-hmm.
Celine, sometimes I don't understand if you speak English or if you speak a German slang. What? Can you give me an example? Do I sound German?
Matt Scalp says, would you rather have legs as long as your fingers or have fingers as long as your legs? Well, let me think this through really quick.
I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say
I think I'm gonna take the short legs.
I think I'm gonna say fingers as long as your legs. Yeah.
No, I would do the legs as long as my fingers.
I'm gonna do the opposite. I want long fingers.
Good luck drinking from a glass.
Yeah, but I was just thinking like how easy I could just sit here and like reach everything.
Well, but then you can't bring it anywhere because it's so far away in your fingers.
I was just thinking like Elastigirl where she can just like stretch out and like, but then I guess you can't pull them back in.
Exactly, that's the problem. Hey, Wag67, nice try, but you get a 1 minute ban for that one because you tried to prank me.
And we already know all the mics around here.
Well, you can get Celine with the mics.
No, we do now. I know all the mics. There was one that I hadn't met yet, but we met.
Uh-huh.
Would you rather have no hands or feet? Wow.
No feet.
No feet?
Oh, well, no, then I can't do my only feet. So, no hands then.
Yeah, that would be a loss of business revenue for you.
Yeah, my revenue stream would drop off then.
I'm trying to think. I think I would say loss of legs. Yeah, I'll say loss of legs for me.
Yeah. Hands are so important. Like, you can still sit in a wheelchair. Not an issue.
That's true.
And we're traders. We sit around all day in front of the screen anyways. Don't need legs.
And I just need my hands to be able to click this button.
See? Bingo.
Bingo.
All right, there's a poll. I am in shorts, I am in longs, or I'm in no trades today. Let's see, chat. What are you guys doing? Also, LICO is still the same. We need 818. Once we reach that, we're going to run another giveaway.
This 5 second chart is even boring. That's when you know. 5 second chart is not doing anything for the adrenaline rush right now. Stereo, let's hope. NY better short this thing to the gap. Let's hope.
Test up manager, what do you mean revenue stream? Well, selling my feed pics on OnlyFeed.
If you know, you know.
What do you mean you're not subscribed, dude?
Even that 100 tick is putting me to sleep. For real. What is this? There's a yawn.
What are you doing? Tired. You were tired?
No, I'm actually not compared to you. Hey, I was up watching the football.
You could have been trading.
Sleep.
Could have been trading instead.
That's true.
Nick, hi guys. How are you? We're doing great. How are you?
How are you?
Now I need to yawn. Now we start.
Oh no,
the yawn circle.
We're just gonna keep. We got half an hour. It's just gonna keep coming back and forth.
The infinite yawn circle. Wax, I just realized Celine's using an Apple computer. Well, I am too.
Wait, why is your day ruined based on that, Wag? What? Why is his day ruined?
I have no idea.
Oh, here we go. Stop incoming. We're gonna watch it on the 5 second.
On the Shabam, was your barber drunk, Nick? Yes. It's actually a lady, but maybe she was drunk once for sure.
What?
I would assume. I don't know though.
By the way, this is the 5 second chart, and now the adrenaline is starting to pump.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm zoomed in.
Well, Celine.
Oh, there it is.
Done, Colleen.
All right, that's my stops done for the day on the funded. If anything, I will oh, here we go. We're gonna get it. Well, this is the 5 second chart actually.
The adrenaline chart.
I'm like, oh, here we go. Here's the pump. No, sorry. Zooming out. We are continuing now to make new highs, and it does just look like a slow grind up here. So I guess to the moon. The next sort of levels is that all-time high. I'm just making
all-time high.
I'm just making sure I have the right. I need to get rid of the M contracts here now. NQU.
NQ.
NQU.
You.
NQU.
Thank you.
All right, so this would be the next high I'd be watching. For me now, I will trade evals in the New York session. Not going to take more than 2 losses on a funded account, and then come back to these accounts tomorrow.
Fair.
When hopefully the market has calmed down a little bit, because this is just a ridiculous pump. Never-ending pump.
Fair.
Roman, we can switch as well. My trade has been cooked.
She's done cooking.
Market has cooked me well and truly.
Cooked, well done.
Yes, extra well
Right.
done. Stereo said, if only Celine didn't take 3 trace sedanes and instead put it all on black 3 times. Potentially. Sometimes I do feel like that. Should I have just put it all on black? No, I'm only kidding.
You could have.
Could have.
Could have. You always can, but it's probably not the
Could have
smartest
also
idea.
lost more that way.
What's that?
I said could have also lost more that way. Don't just think black.
True, you could have double lost.
Yes. At least I'm keeping my losses small. Like on a 150k funded account, I'm down 480. So that is a fair enough loss for me to take, honestly, on the day.
Yep.
Anything more than that, I would not be happy with.
Fair. TF change, I would be, but I don't have much drawdown left on these accounts, so got to be a bit more conservative.
This week, a lot of news coming. That's why market is a little bit fast. Yeah, well, I guess we do. The only other major news we have is FOMC on Wednesday, but obviously this is just being pumped now by the news that the war is over. So fundamentally, NQ should be going up based on that news. But technically, you got to see it drop a little bit.
It would be nice to get the drop. It would be nice.
Yes, don't you think we should at least tap NWOG before going to all-time highs? Yes, I think so. I think we should drop into NWOG.
Yeah. Yeah.
But Francisco from the Congo might have a different opinion.
Is he here?
No. Maybe he doesn't trade Mondays. Maybe that's the trick.
I think he said he trades every day. But maybe he's busy. I don't know.
Come on.
Or he's making $1 billion.
Yeah. He probably did buy into SpaceX.
Right. Right.
It's probably up a few mil.
Well, it's crazy that that's actually a good point that Archer points out there. We're up 2.1%.
Yeah, that is wild. And New York Stock Exchange is not opened.
That is pretty wild.
Yeah, wild.
Just in the overnight session, 640 points.
Big pump.
Wow.
Maybe they drop it at open, then run it up. I'm thinking something like that from history. History says NQ is probably, NY is probably going to drop at the open, but then pump and make new all-time highs today. I don't know. That's my thesis. Come back tomorrow and find out if I was right or wrong.
In hindsight, it's always nice.
Yes.
In hindsight, I could have just woken up at 11:45 p.m. my time, get to the charts at market open at 12 a.m., put in a couple of longs, go back to sleep, and now be nicely in profit. Instead, I've been awake for 10 and a half hours fighting it, and I'm still in a loss.
But you're still alive, Nick. It's not over till it's over. How much drawdown have you got?
On these accounts, like 300 more. So we're not looking too good.
Okay. I believe.
Do you though?
Yes.
Do you really?
Is anyone else trying still in shorts? Still hoping. Natalie says, Nick, I'm with you. I slept 2 hours last night trading. Wow.
Natalie's a real one. Fun to Jabam. Today, who will think of shorts? Nobody. That's why I short. That's exactly why.
Lucky Mon says, I want to try longs. Please share any thoughts. The only thing is that we're so high, right? We have pumped probably like we just said, we're already up 2% in terms of points in this market. Already 417 from the market open. So we're up, and given that, longing from here obviously can work, but just know that you're longing the highs. So you're
longing a big high.
Yeah, if that is what you like to trade, go for it. But for me, I just can't. I hate longing highs. Can't do it.
You can't do it, yeah?
Can't do it.
Why not?
Why I can't long the highs? Because so many times when I initially started trading, I did try those breakout strategies, and it just never worked. And then I guess, I mean, not saying that it never works in general, but it just wasn't something that was consistent for me. And so when I started watching and learning through ICT strategies, usually what I tended to see happen was at these highs, at these like equal highs, at these session highs, at these strong like high time frame highs, usually you get wicks left behind in these areas. And so I see them as a sweep rather than a breakout. Some days you can get the breakout, yes. The majority of the time at these levels, price will just sweep and then make a move off that high. So I don't like to get caught in that.
Fair.
Trade, but obviously there are traders that can long those highs and make money, get in and out of the market. And of course, that's a doable thing. It's just up to me and the way I like to trade and what I've tested.
True. Oh, we're close to the like goal, actually. We are 34 likes away.
Damn. We will get that second account to you guys very soon.
What are we gonna do here?
That is a question.
That is the real question.
T-Mac.
Very true.
Well, some of you that are still long since Asia, well done. Well done, my friend.
Yeah, that paid. That paid.
It has just been a straight pump.
Shorting from Asia, not so much.
Yeah. If you look at the hourly, there is, I mean, bar that one doji candle, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 9 straight pump bullish candles with 2 very small bearish candles and pretty much a doji and nothing candles. So very strong on the higher time frame here. But we should start to see some resistance, some pullback very soon. Daily candle right now has no bottom wick. We have quite literally just pumped.
That was straight up. But that was obvious from the news that we got. The Iran news.
Really, I slept on that.
That's crazy.
I slept on that. I don't know how that didn't even... I'm on Twitter this morning. I'm checking my news outlets. I was checking all this. All I saw was SpaceX. And then I came to the markets and I saw a pump and I thought it was to do with the IPO. I didn't even know. I didn't even question. I just read nothing. That's
Stereo, you're disqualified. You are super duper disqualified.
Tush says, I'm genuinely agreeing with Celine with today NY open dumping and then New York London PM creating New York time highs. Well, yeah, that is my guesstimation. It's just what I think could potentially happen, but we'll find out tomorrow. I will let you guys know.
We'll definitely find out. No. All right, enough walking for this session.
How do you even have the energy to walk?
I don't.
It's also really making your brain even more fatigued.
What's that?
Like the walking would be making you even more fatigued. Thus, your brain is just going to...
It doesn't make a difference anymore.
You're just gone.
There says the dictator silencing free speech. You have to ban me, you tyrant. Well, I know that you want it. That's why I don't do it. That's the real evil action, you know? Dila, how many steps did I take today? So far.
Should we play a guessing game?
Sure.
6,300.
Take a guess, chat.
Closest one gets an extra entry into the giveaway.
Really?
Yes.
How are you gonna know which one is the closest one?
You will say. Fine, if they get it right on. They have to get the exact number.
Hmm.
Can you even read the numbers going this fast, or is your brain too slow?
I can. Somebody almost had it. Somebody almost had it. I'm only gonna react if somebody actually gets it.
Oh, you're just gonna put them in?
Yep.
All right.
So far, nobody got it. But usually, every single time we do it, guessing game like this, somebody gets it actually.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm just waiting. Someone has to get it. I don't know what it is. That's why. Can you put it in the bag? In the Slack? Then I can look for it. Okay. Roman. I mean, it's not impossible, but the chances of someone getting the exact number is so slow.
We had it before. I'll give them one more minute. What are you guessing, Maddie? My step count for today.
If you guess right on, you'll get an extra entry into the giveaway.
No, you get 20 extra entries.
Oh, 20, there you go.
Mm-hmm. But you only have about 40 more seconds.
Oh, that was a close one there. Right numbers, wrong placement.
Mm-hmm. We're not gonna say who though.
Some close numbers coming in here. Oh, now the numbers are moving really fast and my eyes are just failing me.
But I have to command find open, so that way it's automatically gonna populate once somebody gets it. Easy peasy. Okay, nobody guessed it.
Okay, sad. We tried, chat. We tried to give you the extra chance.
We tried. All right, the giveaway thing is over. The additional giveaway entry is over. It was 7,317. However, we did reach the like goal. So let's run a giveaway. Rules for the giveaway, as usual. If you want to participate, you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form. Only do it once. If you do it more than once, you'll get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, why the form is, who the form is, what shape of form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you will get disqualified as well. So don't do that. All right, let's get ready. Here we go. Here we go. Jonathan says, is there pizza included? I'm so hungry and trying to sleep. Ooh, I would love a pizza right now.
Same. That would be nice.
Pizza always slaps.
Yeah, I'm trying to think. I don't think I've ever had a bad pizza, really. Ever. Can't get it wrong. What slaps is homemade pizza as well. The real ones, no.
It's homemade pizza.
Homemade pizza. Wag, there are no other options. We are the best prop firm. Quite literally. Quite literally. No, pineapple with pizza is all good. I will do pineapple on pizza any day. Pizza with ketchup, that is a bit questionable there. Peter says you haven't eaten at Chi-Chi's Pizza in the States. I'd rather eat cardboard. Let's see how many reviews that place has. Chi-Chi's. Like cardboard?
Pizza, cardboard pizza, what?
This guy's saying that Chi-Chi's Pizza is like eating cardboard. Let's look at the images. Oh, right. Yep. This just looks like one of those, like a Domino's. Ew. Macaroni on a pizza? What are you eating in America? What the hell is this?
That's weird.
That is weird.
Why would you do that?
I hate mac and cheese. Ew. Oh wait, is it CC? I thought C in Italy is ch. CC's pizza.
What pizza?
I don't know. It's spelled CICI and I pronounce it ch, because I thought that's how you pronounce it in Italian. But it's CC. Anyway, try mango with pizza? Okay, no. That I would not be open to trying. Yeah, we certainly ripping here. How's the trade looking, Nick?
Not so bueno.
Not so bueno. I hope it survives. But it doesn't feel that way. It's quite the pump, this 1 hour candle.
I will see. We will see. We will see.
Oh, are we doing a little IRL stream? What's that? That Beato's freak. Beato's freak. He said, "Hey Nick, by the way, Drew got me the stuff for the IRL. I'll get going after my vacation. I'm going to see the World Cup, so I'm taking a family vacation."
Wait.
The IRL.
For the IRL spinning wheel.
Oh, okay.
That's what he means.
No, concentrate. Oh no.
Oh, you're yawning again. The circle continues.
Just wait. Yours is coming.
Yeah.
3, 2. No.
I gotta put away my treadmill really quick. 1 second.
No, Constantine, I did not try durian. Didn't like the smell. Couldn't get past the smell, so nope. Never tried that. Natalie says, I'm out. Almost on my full TP, but I have to work now. Can't wait any longer. Nice stream, guys. Natalie, amazing. Good job. At least you almost hit your full TP there. I hope you took some profits off. And thanks for tuning in. We will see you tomorrow. Drop incoming, says Natalie. Maybe. Maybe a drop, finally. Someone do a Celine yawn counter. It's not that bad today. That's 2.
What's not bad today?
My yawns. They're trying to do... Someone said we need to start a Celine yawn counter. And I was like, it's not that bad. I only yawned twice. Oh, Beto says, can I say, and please don't tell Rebecca and Spud, but you two are the best duo here on Tradeify TV.
Oh, we're screenshotting that and sending to Rebecca and Spud right now.
At Rebecca at Spud.
Should I?
Yes. Why not? We love a little competition. There's only room for one duo around here.
All right. I'll do it. 1 second. I'll tag them too.
That's hilarious. We appreciate you, Beater, but now you're going to get added. Memory says, by the way, the streams are great. I'm new here, which just thought is that I don't mind. Don't mind what? By the way, welcome. If you guys are new, welcome to the London session. The 3-hour lock-in session where usually price action is a little bit more nice to us, but today the bulls have had their day. I'm just waiting.
In fact. But that doesn't mean it's over.
Nope, it doesn't.
Not yet. It's only always over when it's over. Victor says you guys have chill energy while they have high energy, so it hits differently. Depends on the day.
Yeah. Depends if Nick's had more sleep or not. Today he's had.
We can do both. Yeah, that's true. Jonathan says, Nick, did you hear about what Spud did when I commented about his Spud's bake party? He didn't know what it was and had to Google.
What is that?
Oh, I'm very glad I actually read bake. I didn't read it right. I'm glad my brain is not braining and I didn't read it right.
I had enough sleep and my brain is still not braining. So
yeah, just don't Google. Don't even think about it.
No, I have to know.
No, don't. Really, trust me, don't.
Silence. I've never heard of that.
Told you don't.
What have I just seen? You guys, this is a trading channel. Did anyone forget?
You are a dirty dog.
This is a trading channel. We come on here to trade NQ. Sometimes we trade gold. That's it. Some of you guys are in the wrong place.
Jonathan, especially, yeah. Yeah, Celine, what sound does a dinosaur make?
No.
No? Okay. I tried, Jonathan. I tried. All right. Let's run the giveaway. Let's run the giveaway. Copying. Brain, not braining. Still copying everybody over.
Good luck in the New York stream, honestly.
Yeah, that's I will need that.
That is
I will need that luck. Trust me. All right. Second winner of today is gonna be Max Pulse. Max Pulse.
Let's go.
If you see this, then say something in the chat.
Congratulations.
Congrats. You won something. You don't know what yet, but you won something.
First day here. Yes, you need to type something if you're here, Max Pulse.
Max Pulse, hello.
Yo, he says.
Oh, there he says, yo. All right. Oh, I almost put him in timeout. All right, let's see what you're getting today. Growth, select, or lightning funded. Spinning. Max Pulse. User receive a, I think 50K growth, not sure. 50K growth.
Nice.
So what you have to do, Max, is make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description and make sure it is your email address that you use to log into your Tradeify account. And then we're going to be sending you an email with your code for a free account within the next 7 days. All right, we're getting a little bit of downside here. Not massive, but it's something. It is something.
Maybe it's the start of the move.
Maybe not.
Oh, Spudnik fan club in the chat. Spud's alter account, yeah, alt account. Spud Air is on another level, he said. We have to aim for Spud level, but you know what? I don't think I'm capable of that energy. That is something else. Whatever Spud is, I don't think any human is possible. That's why he's a Spud.
True.
All right, is this the pullback? into this continuation long move, or is this the shorts coming in? The recovery, sell-off. We will find out. John, Nick and Selena, I appreciate you guys jumping in every day during the stream. Have a good one. See you later, John. We appreciate you. Thanks for tuning in.
Yeah.
Day.
See you.
Zoom more a bit in. Right, here we go, Bogdan. This is just for you. This is the 1 minute. Tris, Trays, and Q, good morning. You're a little bit late. Session is about to finish here. So good morning to you.
Pat says, "Are you winning, son?" Well, somebody want a giveaway? 2 people, actually. 2 people.
Let's see if the bears want to come in now.
We'll find out.
Vitosh says, did you get my betting picks? Where did you send them? I'm seriously going to have a look. Hey?
What betting picks? For the World Cup?
For the World Cup. He said he's like killing it. And I was like, give me your picks. Where did you send it? I will legitimately check after this. I don't see anything yet. Dun, 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 dun.
Coming a bit down from the top, down about 40 points.
Not bad.
But it's not yet what we need. Not yet what we need.
We want more in Q, come on. Oh, okay, so he's giving his picks right here. Spain, team total over 2.5. Belgium. Okay, I'm screenshotting. I'm going to test you on that. And we'll check back in tomorrow. And it's pronounced Beto. Okay, sorry. Beto.
Yeah, I always say Beto.
Beto. Beto.
Beto. Like a toe.
Yes, like a toe. You short, Nick?
You seem very tired, Celine.
Well, I was up watching the football. And then I spent all day at a beach club. Tiring day yesterday.
Sounds terrible. Very terrible.
Terrible.
All right. Well, yes, I have to update you guys on the position during the New York stream because this isn't really going anywhere right now. But it's time to put a big fat W in the chat if you like this stream. Put an L in the chat if you hated it, which I hope you didn't. And we'll be back with another 8 a.m. Eastern time New York session stream. I'll be in at 9 a.m. Spot is going to open it up at 8:30 a.m. And then, of course, tomorrow at 7 a.m. UK time with another London session stream with the one and only Celine. Now, before we leave, Celine, any last words for the chat?
I was going to say, I can see your brain slowly fading when you were putting those thoughts together. It's going to be a great New York session ahead of us, chat. Make sure you stream in, like Nick said,
Sure.
for the New York session. Nick will be there, somewhat alive and well. But thanks for the stream today. Obviously, did not get the result on those 2 shorts, but I am waiting for these shorts to play out. So you best believe if New York has that dump, I'll be in it. I will catch you guys on my trading tomorrow and let you know what I did for the New York session. But until then, enjoy the rest of the trading day. Crush it. And I'll see you guys 7 a.m. tomorrow. Love you guys.
Peace out.